We have Reddit's favorite creator, the Rebel Kid.
The
What's up?
baddie, the saddie.
Hi. Which
The
camera? to
saddie
look
and the
at?
baddie. Where are we at right now? Are we a saddie or are we a baddie?
Depends which hour of the day
It
and how my
fluctuates.
period cycle is synced.
Okay.
On that.
Okay, but right now, what are you feeling?
Baddie types only. जब तक कोई मुझे कुछ कहे ना तब तक I'm a baddie. उसके बाद I'm just a saddie.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I feel like this is gonna be. I don't think you're gonna be a saddie here.
Let's hope not.
Yeah, because we want to have a good time. We want to have
Yeah.
fun.
Hopefully.
Yeah. What is how's life right now?
Great.
You've been traveling all over the
Amazing.
place.
Yeah. I just came back from Europe. I'm flying to Bali in a few days.
Wow.
So
How come so much vacation?
excited.
But that's work, bro, for her.
It's just work.
It's not work. I just started creating travel content, but क्या करूँ मैं इतने पैसे का guys?
दे दे यार हमको भी इधर
अच्छी
बैठे
बात है,
तीन
अच्छी
गरीब.
बात है।
मतलब कोलैब में सब मिल जाते हैं तो अब ठीक है जब तक चल रही है दुकान तब तक जितने कोलैब लपेट के जितने देश पेल सको वैसा.
How many
That's
countries
nice.
have you been to?
I've been to 16. I wanted to do 23 before I turned 23, but वो हो नहीं पाया. So 24 before I turned 24.
Okay.
वो तो आराम से हो जाएगा ना.
Yeah.
You could do Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka.
They're good, yeah.
Bhutan also.
Yeah.
Bhutan, I don't know. I went to Nepal for a bit. It was
Bhutan
fun.
actually they don't let tourists come in. There's some
What do you
limit.
mean?
There's some limit to like how many tourists they allow into.
What?
So there's
No.
someone counting at the airport.
They're standing. These many Chinese people.
The minute they
I don't
cross,
know
they
what-
say no entry.
There's some sort of tourist cap. I don't know how it works.
Yeah. No, I don't know much about Bhutan. I was considering going from Nepal because it's right there, but वो हो नहीं पाया.
I've heard it's really beautiful.
Hmm.
Yeah.
At least influencers तो यही बोल रहे हैं, but how much can you
Why,
trust?
Bhutan का तो अलग vibe होगा ना? Like you can't do the kind of stuff that you do
What stuff
in Bhutan.
are you talking
The
about?
baddie stuff.
मैं तो
जो पार्टी वार्टी
हाँ,
सब
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो
It's
सब
like
नहीं
a-
होगा
but
ना.
वो
That's
तो
what he
then
means.
नेपाल श्रीलंका हर जगह ही मुश्किल लग रहा है.
No, Nepal
Then I should be
party.
in Bombay.
Bro, Nepal's nightlife is insane.
Yeah.
Like I had no expectation and I went there. It's much better than what we have here. Like
Amazing.
It's better than here. It's probably good.
How
Yeah.
can it
हाँ,
be
Mumbai-
better than Bombay?
It's
Mumbai
better
का
than
मुंबई
क्या है
नाइट लाइफ
nightlife?
क्या है ब्रो?
मतलब अब कुछ नहीं है but एक point पे तो होती थी.
Yeah, क्या like 145 छोड़ के.
Listen, I love 145.
I
ठीक
just
है?
knew
If
it.
you
It's
want a
such a
good
her
chapri
vibe.
party, you should go to 145. I
the
hate
chapri
classy bastion parties. Like
Yeah,
just,
bro.
Oh,
That
even
Do
I
you
don't
do you
just
like
know.
do you like Bastion? If you
depends,
want, we can like.
क्या मुझे बाद में
can,
टेबल
can.
मिलेगा bastion में? कहीं PR वाला मुझे ब्लॉक करके रखा हुआ है. No, I don't like the vibe.
The
Yeah.
place is nice.
The
The,
The
vibe
place is nice,
vibe is
but the
very
vibe
off.
is very
it's too pish posh.
classy and I
It's not
think-
even classy, but
It's
just
dark.
people with. It's very dark. The vibe.
It's dark.
Yeah.
It's just like everyone's trying to suck each other's dick
Yeah.
while getting their own dick sucked.
ये क्या party?
Like you know,
That,
it's
that
like
must have
I'm
been a
greater
theme
than-
party.
Oh, that was the theme
Sounds
party.
like
we
a
went to.
whorehouse vibe.
ये gay party पे गया था शायद वो आप.
Pride month. No, but it's generally like everyone's just trying to one up each other.
Yeah.
Over there, everyone's like, "Oh, I'm so cool. No, I'm so cool."
And the daru is very expensive. Anything
Yeah.
over 750, 800 for a Jaeger bomb should be legal.
How much is it over there? 1,000.
920 rupees.
How do you
Damn,
know
bro,
that?
she knows the rate on the 900.
GST के
I'm
बाद
just
कितना है?
guessing.
Tax के बाद.
No, I think it's definitely above 800,
Yeah.
Do you go out often?
which is too much.
Do you go out often?
Not in Bombay.
Not in Bombay.
Yeah, Bombay I rarely go out because जब तक मैं Bombay आती तब तक मैं थक हार चुकी होती हूँ जिंदगी से तो Bombay आके
She
just
just
wanna
goes
be
out of the
home.
country when she wants to go out.
That's crazy. That's wild. Where do you go last? No.
I just came from Europe.
And where do you go in Europe?
Greece. Greece was my last destination. I did Paris, Switzerland, and Turkey, which is both in Asia and Europe. मेरी वीडियो के नीचे हर बार एक hate comment आता है geography पढ़ ले थोड़ी सी. मैं तो Google करके डाला था मुझे नहीं आती है geography, but it's partly in Europe. So
Hmm.
Yeah, half of it is in Europe.
yeah.
Turkey is a fun place. A lot of people are going now. मतलब it's
Yeah.
become the cool thing to do.
Yeah.
Turkey and Bali also.
Bali has been the cool place for quite some
For a
time
while
now.
now.
I feel like
Yeah.
abhi ek aur like it's gone one step further. Like everyone is just
But
always
Bali
like-
is pretty fun. It's nice. The people are amazing. It's really cheap. It's cheaper than Goa to stay in Bali. And the nightlife is very good. If you're into yoga and just relaxing, तो उसके लिए भी काफी अच्छी vibe है Bali की. So you can get
can get the
everything
best
that you
of
want.
both.
Yeah.
You've
Have
been
you
there?
seen those? Sorry, you go.
No, as you've been there, na? Bali.
Yeah,
बहुत
this
बार.
is my 4th, 5th time.
5th time you'll go now.
Yeah,
Why are you going again?
it's nice only.
Like, go somewhere else.
I've heard
Where?
of people who go, they want to keep going back.
Yeah.
It's one of
बात
those
कर रहा है,
places.
It's like
वीजा
Travel to
मेरा तो
30
US वीजा
countries.
नहीं लग रहा, मुझे तो सिर्फ US जाना है.
US वीजा नहीं लग रहा है.
नहीं, डेट
कैसे?
नहीं मिल रही है.
हाँ, डेट नहीं मिल रही है. But it's,
हम
the waiting is crazy on this.
Yeah.
कब का डेट मिला है?
अभी तक तो मिली ही नहीं है.
What nonsense.
Yeah.
They usually give like 1 or 2 years आगे तक का.
No.
I feel like US is a bit overrated.
It is why.
You've been?
No.
I
But
thought I would
I'm,
win.
I'm from Iran, so like. it's
He's
like
You're from
that-
Iran, so you know US is overrated.
No, like we're just not good
They
with
don't
each
have
other.
Oh.
relations.
Yeah.
No?
So I just have
Achha,
to.
that's why.
I want to go back to Iran at some point, so like I say these things every once in a while to like stay on the good side.
I feel like this America in general is only way you learn about it is through fucking like Instagram now and like movies and whatever.
Yeah.
Well, that's
Oh,
why
most
get
places.
this.
But
Yes,
America
yes,
has been always about the movies. Like I just want to go because मैंने इतनी सारी movies देखी
Because
हैं.
you have this
Yeah.
perception कि ऐसा है.
Yeah.
Apparently,
You know.
New York and all is very dirty, is what everyone
Yeah.
says. Like there's just rats everywhere.
And it also smells really bad.
Smells
Which
like.
so does Bandra.
Even Paris,
Yeah.
no?
So
Paris
no,
is also
but I
very
loved
dirty.
Paris. I really liked Paris. मुझे तो नहीं आई भाई बदबू.
There is something called as a Paris syndrome.
Hmm.
Do you know
Paris
what that is?
syndrome?
No,
Yeah,
what's
because
that?
Paris is supposed to be this magical place,
Yeah.
and people have really high expectations when they go there,
Yeah.
and they reach there and it doesn't meet those
But
expectations.
that's what I never wanted to go to Paris, so I had no expectations.
Mm.
I was like, क्यों आ गई मैं? मुझे अपने बंदे के साथ आना चाहिए था. So I was sad anyway.
Is it really romantic?
It's very romantic.
But what is
I
so
would
romantic
fall in
about
love. 100%. मतलब everybody on the street is kissing. Everybody's drunk on wine. Like nobody's that crazy party drunk, but everybody's drunk on wine.
PDA in Europe is a
Yes.
superpower.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What do you mean super?
You can't do that shit here.
Here, so you'll
It's
just
very
get
liberated.
belted.
Yeah, exactly.
You
That's my
can't get a
point.
girl here. How will you do that shit?
I'm not into PDA at all.
Not even like
Unless
holding
I'm
hands.
like holding hands
Holding
doesn't
hands is not
count, bro.
PDA,
Holding
bro.
hands क्या होता है?
I don't
Here
know.
guys also hold hands.
Yeah, there's that
too many guys are holding
ऐसा
hands.
हाथ पकड़ के चलते हैं.
Even we hold sometimes.
No. नहीं, PDA it's a bit different now because like before I didn't care. अभी थोड़ा ये होता है like people are just like oh I saw him doing this and that girl. Like then it comes back to you from some person that you don't expect and you're like भाई इसको पता इसको पता लग गया तो मतलब कुछ तो गलत किया है मैंने. Why are you guys laughing? Yeah.
No, it's just a very tricky situation to be in. Like PDA.
I love PDA.
You like it?
I really like
You
it.
want your guy to like.
Yeah, for sure.
But where do you draw the line though? Like are you okay with like making out?
जहाँ मम्मी गए वहाँ that is where I draw the line.
जहाँ मम्मी
किसकी
है।
मम्मी?
मेरी मम्मी
अच्छा okay.
पर मम्मी क्या बोलेगी?
मेरी मम्मी पॉडकास्ट देखेगी ना तो जहाँ तक मम्मी को ठीक लग रहा है वहाँ तक ठीक है.
How politically
What if
correct?
mummy says no holding hands also?
No, that much मम्मा.
शादी तक.
Are your parents strict at all?
My parents
मतलब
used
लगता
to
तो
be
नहीं है.
really strict, but फिर एक बार
अभी
बच्चा
तो-
हाथ से चला गया तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
Is that where the name comes from?
Yeah.
Hmm.
For me अगर पापा कहें कि घर से निकल जाओ, it used to be like yeah, good. मेरे को रहना भी नहीं था इस घर पे. तो
Oh, you were one of those kids.
Yeah.
Used to pack your bag and all and be like, मुझे नहीं रहना इधर.
I too full used to romanticize about leaving my house and never coming back till I'm a successful person. वैसे वाला vibe. But now they're pretty chill. I mean, what
Because you are
can they
successful
say?
now.
Yeah.
No, but also leaving the house does, I feel,
Yeah.
strengthen your relationship with your parents or family.
Yeah.
Because you don't get as
Distance does make the
Distance,
heart
yeah.
grow fonder because they just don't see you as much, so they don't know how flawed you are anymore.
much. Nay, or they
Just
choose
forget.
to ignore those flaws so that they can spend quality time
Yeah,
with you.
that's also true.
उनके standards थोड़े ये होता है. Like they're like as long as they're safe, as long as
Yeah.
they're eating right, as long as they're not doing drugs,
Yeah.
it's fine. It's fine. And I think making money also helps a lot.
Yeah, making
Because-
money definitely helps.
Yeah,
That
they're
makes you
like-
quite credible also because they're like ठीक है मेरा बच्चा कर सकता है.
हाँ, जिंदगी तो बना ली है, सड़क पे नहीं आएगा.
because they don't get it, they don't get this, they don't get content. I mean,
Yeah.
now it's changing a bit, but like, I don't even blame them when kids want to become a content creator and they tell their parents, मुझे vlogger बनना है, and they're like, no, don't do that.
Yeah.
How are
I
they
would
supposed
not
to
let
know?
my kid be an influencer at all.
You don't want them to be.
You know.
Why?
Get a real job, bro. मैं कितना काम करती हूँ पूरे दिन में. उठो कुछ नहीं, बकचोदी बाहर इवेंट. फिर आओ घर पे, कुछ नहीं, दोस्तों के साथ पड़े हुए हो, एक 10 सेकंड की स्टोरी डाल दी तो लग रहा है क्रेजी गाइस, एंगेजमेंट.
Well, you're saying you won't make a family channel after.
No.
Of course she would.
Bro.
I mean,
post,
if you
post
I
100
definitely-
stories every day.
Yeah.
So
But about myself,
but the kid also has something
no,
to do
no,
with
no,
you.
no.
I
She's
hope.
not gonna
I
like
am
the
not
kid that
opening
much.
up my kid to the internet.
but nowadays though kids with the internet are so, it's such a normal thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A 4-year-old niece is watching Netflix and she knows the UI better than I do, and their ability to even like just grasp like technology. Feel
Also
like
Yeah, but
evolution,
like you can control
It
it.
is
na?
evolution actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you see, like kids nowadays, they can grasp so many things like technology a lot faster than what we can.
Yeah.
So it's evolutionary.
It's always
changes.
a very weird sight to see a 4-year-old on an iPad doing things.
There's too many of those kids,
Yeah.
and they're all having food at McDonald's, bro. These fucking kids. I don't know why.
वो parenting में दिक्कत है ना थोड़ा.
Yeah.
Like handing a kid an iPad is the easiest thing to get
To like get his.
get him to
Keep
shut
them
up.
entertained.
But I would give my kid an iPad.
At
पूरे
what
दिन कौन
age?
अपने बच्चे का रोना सुन सकता है,
That's
bro?
the whole
Take
point.
the damn iPad and shut up.
But
I
then what
also
about
need
his
my
eyes?
face.
Like your.
Glasses, laser.
She doesn't care. माँ छोड़ने दे आँख उसकी.
The eyes are the least of your concern. You like fuck up their dopamine system from a
No,
very
I
young
तो
age.
definitely don't want to have kids, so I'm not.
So this
concerned.
whole conversation
Yeah.
just
This
like
was
was
just for time pass.
I am not transferring my trauma to another person. Like I can't take care of myself. How will I take care of a kid?
Mm.
But you're doing well for yourself. You're fairly young, I feel.
Barely.
No?
मतलब I take a lot of decisions जिससे मैं मर सकती हूँ हर दिन, but
Correct.
that doesn't mean कि मैं बच्चे पालने के capable हूँ just
I
because
mean-
मेरा तुक्के से काम चल रहा है.
Hmm.
I would really fuck up a child, I think.
Right now, no, maybe when you're post 30, there's this new version of you that
I don't know. Maybe.
Post 30 isn't it too old?
is it.
Yeah, it's too old to have kids.
Post 30 is not
No,
old to
30
have
is
kids.
fine.
You're 26.
Yeah.
You're gonna have kids in the next 3
no.
years.
No, bro, I'm never having kids.
Oh.
No one is having kids. Huh?
I'll have kids.
You'll have-
What are you gonna do with them, bro? It's such a
What do you
burden.
mean?
I hope
It
your
is-
parents
it
are
is-
watching this episode.
They'll say I
तो है
agree.
भाई. Difficult तो है. I feel like it's a full-time job, so you kind of have to be fully sorted and you're not doing anything else, and then you have children
Yeah,
and just do
yeah,
that.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to be managing a job and then having, that's like the worst thing you can do to
But
a
like,
kid.
what if you don't like your child? Then what do you do? Like, what if my child is Jeff Dahmer? What
But
if I hit him once when he's 3 years old and then he goes out to be a serial killer because he has the trauma of his mother beating him?
Then don't hit him, no?
Yeah, I mean,
There's the easy fix.
अभी बदतमीजी कर रहा है तो मारना पड़ेगा ना एकदम
तो
पड़.
चिल्ला उस पे. Hang him off the balcony.
आपने मार खाया क्या?
मैंने तो
बचपन में?
बहुत मार खाई है, लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. मुझे तो बहुत मार
About
पड़ती
like
थी.
what sort of things?
Anything.
Were you mischievous?
Always. And there are only two kinds of parents कि अगर वो PTM पे जा रहे हैं और टीचर उनके बच्चे की कंप्लेन कर रही है, तो एक होते हैं जो कहते हैं कि आप मेरे बच्चे के बारे में ऐसा कैसे कह सकते हो, मेरा बच्चा पढ़ाई करता है, ये करता है. मेरे मम्मी पापा कहते थे अगर एक ग्रुप ने मिलके कुछ करा है तो ये इसका आइडिया था ये करना, आप मेरे बच्चे को थप्पड़ मारो. तो माई पेरेंट्स ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्टेड द वर्स्ट आउट ऑफ मी.
But were you that kid though?
Yeah, fully.
kid.
They just really knew me. They were just not delulu. What to do?
were you like a problem child in school also?
Not a lot. मतलब I would not go around hitting people or anything, but ऐसे ही थोड़ा.
What sort of pranks?
मतलब
are we
पटाखे
talking?
फोड़ दिए स्कूल में, कॉन्वेंट स्कूल में पटाखे फोड़ दिए, वैसे टाइप्स वाला.
Diwali
Not
में
a
आ रहे हो
lot.
आप, convent school. Nice.
But do you have any siblings or
Yeah.
only child?
I have a brother who's 9 years younger.
Younger.
shit.
Yeah.
That's
Parents
a
were
mistake.
My
actually,
parents had guts after me. They were like, let's have another kid. I would
think
not
they
have.
were like,
I don't think it
let's-
was planned, bro.
Yeah,
I think they were
I
like,
don't think
9
so.
साल हो गए. Let's.
Try
I think the curse is over. Let's like give it a go. And
Fuck,
is
he's
he
a
is he a
child,
good
that
child?
means now.
He's a very good child.
See,
See,
it worked.
they were right.
They
He's
knew
a
something.
very good child. वो कुछ मांगता ही नहीं है मम्मी पापा से. एक टी शर्ट वही धो के उल्टी करके पहन रहा है रोज. He doesn't need new clothes. अभी बास लिखा हुआ है, बढ़िया घूम रहा है, snaps भेज रहा है. Very nice.
I mean, that is so much more like he's so much more liberated than we are. Like, if I'm wearing something and the brand is a bit off, like I'll be like, bro, मैं कैसे पहन सकता हूँ ये? Like as if like my dad is some Ambani.
I just got a jacket from Thailand that says Diesel instead of Diesel, but it looked really nice. I got it. I think I'll wear it.
Yeah, I mean,
I
if you
don't
if you
care.
don't have that, people get very invested in brands and stuff.
Yeah.
now, especially after making money.
You should have worn that for the Diesel event and gone.
I had like a fake Diesel bag also, and I wanted to take it to the event, and I thought it'll be iconic, but my entire team was like, "Please, fuck no, Purva."
Why?
I
It's so funny.
Why? But I told the Diesel POC about this, and she thought it was a good idea.
Damn. Now that you've got now whatever amount of fame and stuff, do these sort of decisions play a thing on you? Like when your team is like, hey, ऐसा मत कर, when you're trying to be your authentic self?
नहीं, मैं mostly नहीं सुनती हूँ. But ठीक है, कभी-कभी
दिखता
थोड़ा
है
बहुत सुन भी लेना है. मतलब कभी-कभी थोड़ा बहुत सुन लेना चाहिए. मैं सुन लेती हूँ जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा sensible लग रहा होता है. Like
Sorry.
I would like to actually get a Diesel bag free from the Diesel team. तो मैं अपना fake bag नहीं लेके जाऊंगी एक दिन iconic होने के लिए. वैसा.
But they won't give a what for free if you take a fake bag and go.
I don't know. अभी क्या पता किसको क्या
I only
offend
wonder who
कर
invited
I
this
think
person.
your whole appeal is this only, na, that you're truly
Yeah.
yourself unapologetic.
I
Unapologetically.
really don't understand what my appeal is.
It is like there is something about it. Like I've been watching your content and you're just like, I may not necessarily enjoy the content, but I want to know.
Thanks.
No, he's mentioned this.
Don't sugarcoat it next time.
Like, what I'm trying to say is like I don't know why I like it,
Yeah.
but like I can't look away. It's like that.
Do you hate watch my content?
No.
That's called hate
No, no.
watching.
I really
No, it's
admire
not.
your like
Your dedication is
hustle,
quite
bro.
crazy,
It's
bro.
like as a creator, seeing it, I'm just like, bro,
Thanks.
this girl is like relentless, and that's
Yeah.
what works for you. I show these guys, bro.
Yeah,
these
when-
guys like.
No, he's mentioned it. No,
I say कि भाई ये record करना है, and they're like, bro, बाद में करते हैं ना. And then like I show them, bro, this girl, look at her, she broke her head.
You inspire
she's
us.
She's still going.
Yeah, if something bad happens to me, I am always recording. I'm like, it'll make for a great plot line. Nobody wants to see a happy person. Like, if
Yeah,
I tell you
that's
I
true.
had a great day, I sat
don't
in
care.
front of the Eiffel Tower drinking champagne, nobody's watching that. Nobody wants that.
Yeah.
Really, you don't feel like now, ठीक है, you've covered your breakup, for instance. Now, if you are to have a
Did she?
I haven't seen.
I haven't
What are
seen
you
her
talking
cover her
about?
breakup.
ठीक है, maybe I'm just imagining something. and then now, let's say you get into a healthy relationship, you wouldn't cover that.
I am not believing that sentence only. What
कौन सा
healthy
वाला?
relationship?
Healthy.
Possible
That
नहीं
one
है.
day I'll get into a healthy relationship. No,
I don't think.
no,
like
I
that.
don't think now I'll ever post about my relationship.
You had to
नजर
like-
नजर लग जाती है ना.
नजर की बात नहीं है, but मैं no comments.
No, like
See, nah.
Everything that was
sometimes,
coming out of my mouth.
बोल दे भाई.
नहीं नहीं.
sometimes in life you have to get a bit close to the fire to know that it's
I am
hot.
in the fire 24/7. No.
No, but in general, when you post something, you're directly giving people a chance to have a say on it.
Yeah.
So that's the problem with things like these.
Yeah, and it also really affects the way you start seeing the situation. अगर तुम्हें 5,000 लोग रोज बोलेंगे कि ओ योर रिलेशनशिप लुक सो गुड, तो तुम्हारे रिलेशनशिप में जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो, लाइक बाकी लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है, देन मे बी इट इज नाइस एंड आई एम जस्ट नॉट accepting it. So it also really affects the way you start thinking. So I would just not post it.
Specifically when it comes to relationships, I personally don't like anyone else other than me and my partner having a say
Yeah.
on the relationship because they don't know you that well.
Yeah.
Even your closest friends don't know you that well, and their opinion is always biased.
Yeah.
Mere dost, like they'll always
Obviously,
be on my
yeah.
side. And
But we'll tell you also, na? We'll be
yeah, they'll be like, you're
Yeah,
doing
but
the
it's
wrong
still a
thing, but-
bias, no? Like you will still prefer
I would
siding
tell
your
him-
friend.
And with you
No,
guys,
so
like I'll
if he
choose to come.
cheats, you'll not इतनी गाली नहीं देगा तू उसको. But if the
we
girlfriend
give him.
cheats, तो तू ज्यादा गाली
हाँ,
देगा
ज़्यादा
उसको.
गालियाँ तो मिलेगी.
So-
But the fact that I will not abuse him is false.
Yeah, like he'll get गाली. कि भाई तू चूतिया क्या तूने ये
But
क्यों
थोड़ी
किया?
गाली ना. You're
See,
still
but
forgiving.
you
You're
have
like,
to
yeah, वो
remember-
थी भी SEC, so it's fine you cheated. It's okay, what happened?
No, but you have to remember that these are the people that you've chosen to share it with.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then you're
yeah,
like,
yeah,
okay,
yeah,
if I've shared it so that they say something in return,
Yeah.
whether good or bad.
Yeah.
But some random dude sitting in a random city, them saying something about your relationship, it just like
quite stupid.
It doesn't sit
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So matlab, wo to, it's just better to avoid like putting it out there.
I'm wiser now.
You've
Learned
learned
my
your
lessons.
Yeah. But do you not know, like, not just with the relationship, like with everything that you post, you know that people are going to have an opinion.
Yeah, dude, my dad used to be my biggest hater. You can't hate me more than what my dad hated me. So it didn't really bother me
He's
for
also
the longest
commenting
time.
the Randy.
No. Now my dad is the sweetest. He responds to my hate comments. Like अगर कोई लिख रहा है तुम्हारी शक्ल खराब है, my dad will be like तेरी शक्ल बहुत अच्छी है.
क्या बात कर
So
रहे हो?
now my
fuck.
dad is really supportive.
From his own account?
No, he has multiple accounts because I kept blocking him
He's
because
your,
I
like,
didn't want
IT
him.
cell. Apu's IT cell is your
I
dad.
kept blocking him. Poor dad, he's defending you first of all in your comments.
No, even I've blocked all my family.
Yeah.
No, my dad kept making IDs. और अगर एक IP ad, so now Instagram has this feature कि block this account and any
And
other
any other account they
So अगर
create.
एक IP address block हो गया है, वो अपने दूसरे दोस्त के phone से ID बना रहे हैं और फिर उससे मेरा account मैंने कहा पापा देख लो आप.
I will unblock you. Just watch whatever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but that's how it is. And right now, like, it's become a sport. Like, it's become a thing to do where you, like, pick up this one creator
Yeah.
and just, like, they're your mascot now. और उनके बारे में ही हम बोलेंगे. And everything that you do is going to be wrong in some way for
Yeah,
someone.
yeah.
But it works. So,
I too don't think so.
no I mean, people are invested.
Yeah.
And that's, as a creator, you want that. You don't want people to just not care about what you do.
मतलब I think at this point I would rather not have people invested in my life. I'm okay with 50k views, but मुझे बस अब उतना वो नहीं चाहिए कि like everything I do is just handpicked and spoken about.
You gotta stop reading comments.
Yeah.
You'll lose it if you get 50k views, bro. You'll
I think
feel
so,
very
I don't
bad. You
know.
can't go from like millions to 50k.
Yeah, maybe.
This is just to say
I've never
it's
been
easy.
there, so like
Yeah.
can't tell.
Oh, really? Before travel, what sort of content were you making?
I was making rant videos, but it was mostly about मेरे मम्मी पापा strict हैं, मैं गरीब हूँ, मैं trip पे नहीं जा पा रही.
अब जा पा रही है.
अब सिर्फ ट्रिप पे
She
जा
stopped
रहे हो.
complaining.
Now there's nothing to rant about. मतलब
I appreciate that you've stopped doing that because
Yeah.
a lot of people we know how much content creators make
yeah.
and they're still like middle class on their Instagram.
Yeah.
Like
Oh
they're
shit,
still
you know people like that?
no, they're still complaining
How
about
do you not
like,
know people like that?
I don't.
man.
He
I
doesn't
don't know.
follow any of them.
Oh.
Because ranting is a genre by itself on
Yeah.
Instagram.
Hmm.
So like a lot of people have come up while doing that and now they don't know how to pivot.
Okay. So now they're just
still
making
have
up
to-
generic
m-
instances.
Making up
Yeah.
problems because it's relatable to the people who are watching it. That's a shitty thing to do.
Yeah.
Influencers making 9 to 5 के बारे में content is the funniest thing ever because we have the worst ethic that is possible to have in anybody and they're like oh मेरा बॉस मेरे से फाइल मांग रहा है सैटरडे को 5 बजे. कौन बॉस? कौन सी फाइल? कौन से नशे हैं ये? कहाँ से लिख रहे हो तुम ये सब?
It's just weird. Matlab,
Yeah.
a lot of people, it works, that's why they do it. But at the same time, it's just like,
If you're not living that life, don't do it.
how long are you going to do this for? ये तो
Yeah.
exhaust हो जाएगा ना एक time के बाद.
That's crazy. I didn't know it was a whole genre.
What, ranting?
Welcome to the
Yeah.
internet.
You haven't seen people just pick up the phone and it's like, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि and some problem and then
The hook has to be
and
that
then
only.
punchline. Relatable. Like how often are you going to do that? Like the kids have graduated, like they have a postgraduate degree and they're still talking about boards.
Yeah.
क्या चल रहा है भाई?
Were there any experiences in Europe that you felt like you wanted to rant about? No bad experiences?
I
Not one
have a
bad
lot of bad experiences, but I can't rant about it. लोग मेरी माँ बहन एक कर देंगे अगर मैं
पर क्या
rant
हुआ
करूँगी
क्या?
उस बारे में. तो जैसे टर्की आई मेट द वर्स्ट पीपल एवर. लाइक लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा रूड थे. मुझे सबने बोला था कि फ्रांस में लोग रूड होंगे बट टर्की में लोग बहुत रूड थे. एंड अगर तुम एक ट्रिप प्लान करके गए हो अकॉर्डिंग टू गूगल एंड बोथ ChatGPT ये महीना बेस्ट है जाने के लिए और तुम वहाँ जाते हो और तुम देखते हो कि यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर हॉट सनी डेज एंड 32 डिग्री वेदर एंड दिस इज 2 डिग्री वेदर व्हेन यू हैव कम देयर. So you would want to rant, na? But the thing is, when you rant about it, then it just comes off as privileged, which it is
And
privilege.
it's not relatable, na?
Yes, it is privilege, but it's still a problem, bhai. Other way.
See, that's why you have friends.
Yeah.
You know, you can talk
ये
about
मुझे concept अभी समझ आया. I was
You
like,
don't have
oh,
friends?
no. I made like 6-7 group chats with my different
Oh,
set
friend
of friends. तो and मैं अब उनको भेजती हूँ कि guys, you're right. 3-minute long voice notes.
Everyone gets the same dilemmas, or do you like curate who gets?
No.
which one?
Everybody
Friend group
gets
has
the
to be
same.
curated.
Yeah.
Oh, you send the same thing to all
Same
friend
voice
groups.
note. बार थोड़ी record करूँगी यार.
You have to realize that it's fun to hate on people who are doing well. Like,
Yeah.
you know, it's
For sure.
It's a lot of fun. Like we also
I'm a hater. I to love hating on people, but
Yeah.
I don't just do it publicly. I do it in my head. I just look at somebody's phone and I'm like, and then I just keep my phone. I just never have the
Who is
urge
that?
to
Do you have?
comment.
Do you have? Do
I'm
you
not
have a
gonna
list?
name who's
Name
that.
one person, sure.
Ah. So Untriggered used to be one.
Used
But
to
now
be.
I'm not. No.
What changed?
Until we invited her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's just, it's a
No,
nice
we are
podcast, I think.
we are on the same boat, bro. We get so much hate, like our. Because,
Yeah, I've never seen you guys get hate.
Go to our
Yeah.
YouTube shorts.
we get
That's where the
hate.
real hate is.
But YouTube and Instagram की audience भी बहुत
बहुत
अलग
फर्क,
है.
बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है.
No, any reel or any short form video that bangs, like when it goes
Yeah.
past 2-3
What do you
million.
get hate on?
It's very easy to hate us, bro. They're like ultra privileged kids. Their dad afforded them, like they could get
Some
a bike,
bullshit,
they could get a mic and say whatever they want. So like now they're saying whatever they want, which is true to some extent.
How is it that?
It's
true?
not true.
I mean, at the start, it's very difficult for people to see like 4 random kids who are like
Who they
no-
don't recognize? Say
They're not
anything about
actors.
it.
They're not artists.
Yeah.
They're not anything.
So why do
and
they have an opinion?
Why do they
all.
have a
Yeah.
platform where they can say
Yeah.
things and have opinions? So
Hmm.
that's just how this country is, sadly.
Well, that's so nice. People hate on you at least for a nice reason. कि you have a platform and they don't.
But that they hate on you because you have that life and they don't.
Because they're
It's the
jealous.
same thing. It's the same.
What do people hate on you for?
Anything bro, गाली देने के लिए, दारू पीने, भाई लिवर मेरा, पैसे मेरे, और मेन तो कि पैसे कहाँ से आ रहे हैं इसके पास. She has a sugar daddy, पापा पैसे देते हैं, बट मेरा पापा बेचारे सरकारी नौकरी करते हैं यार, वो मनाली से आगे का ट्रिप नहीं मारते. And it's mostly if I am traveling with a guy, then तो he's 100% fucking her and paying for her trip. भाई वो भी इंस्टाग्राम से पैसे कमा रहे हैं, मैं भी इंस्टाग्राम से पैसे कमा रही हूँ, उसके 50,000 फॉलोअर है, वो कैसे मेरे पैसे दे रहा होगा?
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's just
That was very specific.
Yeah.
Do you feel like women are hated more in general? Like online?
yeah, but then I don't want to say that women are hated more because then I'll become a feminist who's
And
talking
then you'll
about
get
it and then
and
I'll
you'll
get
hate
more
for
hate.
that, correct.
Yeah, you don't want to be that.
No guys, everybody's hated equally. See, these guys are also hated.
I think it's just comes down to jealousy and also it's fun. Like I said, like we also make fun of people above us.
Yeah.
तो होता ही रहेगा. Like you just gotta do your thing. I feel like this has become like a support group.
We're gonna get hate on this also.
Yeah.
You went for Taylor Swift.
Yes.
I saw
Wow, you went for Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
in France.
Yes.
Are you like a
Crazy.
Swiftie?
I'm
or
a
you just
very
went?
big Swiftie. I got this snake tattoo inspired by Reputation 3 years ago.
By her reputation.
So she has an
Show
album
again.
called Reputation,
Okay.
and so Kim Kardashian had this entire thing against her, and उसने Taylor Swift को सांप बोला, and it started trending on Twitter
Why?
that
What's
Taylor
the-
Swift is a
what's
snake.
the tea?
Very old beef with Kanye West, and he
Oh,
made a
okay.
song on her called Famous and Falana Dhimkana. Basically, Kim
Song is
Kardashian.
too good though.
Yeah. Made the bitch
Famous. God damn. I made
sorry.
that bitch. Continue.
I've related to the song. I just don't like Kanye West.
So then they had beef.
So they had beef, and then Kim Kardashian ने उसकी call recording leak कर दी, which was illegal to do. But then everybody started calling Taylor Swift a snake. So she disappeared for a year, came back and released this album called Reputation, which is about revenge and look what you made me do, and I hope your castle also crumbles the way whatever. सब कुछ revenge के बारे में, and it's targeted towards Kanye West and Kim Kardashian, and everybody is like, whoa, this is the greatest comeback in the history. So she kind of made snakes like her
Her like,
thing.
symbol.
Yeah. And I was going through a very bad phase at that point in life. So I was like, मैं भी हूँ सांप. तो मैंने भी करा लिया. The stupidest thing I've done. I really regret the tattoo. but-
Would you not want to not have done that now?
Yeah,
Looking back?
I just don't like the placement. It has faded
Yeah,
a
the
lot.
placement
But I
is
still
quite-
like snakes. Like I'm wearing snakes.
Acha, okay.
Yeah.
So you'll get this somewhere else now.
No,
Acha.
it's done now.
ठीक है.
This will fade off, na, but eventually.
पूरा थोड़ी चला जाएगा. It'll always be a little
Just look very
grey
light.
there. Yeah.
But what was the show like? What was the whole?
It was insane. I think it was the best day of my life, and I didn't expect to get in the show because Viagogo and StubHub are like third-party reseller apps, and उसपे mostly लोग सबको बेवकूफ़ी बना रहे हैं. People are selling tickets, but वो ऐसा है कि if you have, let's say, a movie ticket, and you send it to the 3 of us, whoever scans the ticket first gets in. So people usually sell it to 3-4 people, and there's nothing you can do about it. तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि मैं स्टेडियम में घुस पाऊंगी या नहीं. But then I've got in. It was
How
really
much did you pay for it?
I paid
A lot.
Yeah, and this was my third time buying this ticket.
What?
Yeah, because मैं पहले यूएस जाने वाली थी अपने बर्थडे के लिए एंड मेरा यूएस वीज़ा नहीं आया एंड फिर मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाने वाली थी और मेरा ऑस्ट्रेलिया वीज़ा रिजेक्ट हो गया 2 बार. तो यूएस वाली टिकट आई हैड सोल्ड बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाली बिकी नहीं. तो आई लॉस्ट 2.25 lakhs on the Australia ticket.
You bought one ticket for 2.2?
2 tickets for 2.25.
Oh god.
And then I bought this one for 75,000. So a lot.
Struggle.
How was the concert?
I never said
That concert
that I
better have been the
struggled.
best day of your life.
Yeah, but it was really nice. I think I would not say it was worth it.
What?
मतलब not 75,000.
lakh खर्च के उसने and all.
Like I really like the woman and I had an incredible time and she's a great performer. But भाई 75,000 for a ticket and वो पहले वाले 2.5 lakh रुपए, it's just too much.
How
Didn't-
far
you don't-
were you from her?
Very far.
Oh my god.
मतलब I had the standing seats but सामने सब लोग सो यूजुअली इंडिया में क्या होता है कि तुम कोनी वोनी मार के तुम आगे जा सकते हो कॉन्सर्ट में.
Oh,
तो
there,
मैंने भी
हाँ.
कोनी वोनी मारी भाई. एक बंदी ने मेरे बाल खींचे मुझे पीछे फेंका ना. मैं तो ऐसे थी कि मैं पीछे ही खड़ी हो. इट्स फाइन.
Rebel got out rebelled by this fucking.
मैं स्क्रीन पे देख
imagine
लूंगी उसको
like an
नाचते.
army of Swifties.
Yeah.
They're all
Yeah.
crazy.
You want to fuck with the Swifties, bhai.
Yeah.
My best decision was that the guy who I went with was not a Swiftie. तो वो पूरे टाइम मेरी वीडियोस टेलर स्विफ्ट की वीडियोस ले रहा था. उसे कुछ नहीं पता था क्या चल रहा है. So I had a full time dedicated cameraman.
What was his experience like for
He
someone who
watches-
He loved the women there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
All blonde white women, no?
No, not
Usually.
Swifties are mainly like.
Swifties are everything, bro. Taylor Swift's appeal is very like
Mostly
Yeah.
white
universal.
women. I
No,
feel. If you see those reels that have been coming out, it's only them like in the crowd and they're going crazy while they're singing their.
They cry and
But
just sing.
can you tell us what's the appeal? Like, why is Taylor Swift? Why is she so iconic when to this specific target of?
I think when the entire internet turns against you and you get a lot of hate, the first thing you're told to do is shut up and never respond to it. Especially not to somebody like Kanye West. तो जब उसने वो वाला कमबैक करा था, it was very unheard of. Like rappers आपस में लड़ते थे, but a pop star like making an entire album about somebody who did them dirty was unheard of. Very badass. तो सबको लगा wow, crazy. Then she puts a lot of Easter eggs in her videos. तो she will give you clues about what is about to happen, who she is dating. तो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा invested हैं because she is dropping you clues but she's not really giving you any information. तो लोग अपनी conspiracy theories बना रहे हैं, उसको discuss कर रहे हैं. Then she spoke about a lot of issues like the patriarchy, not in like a preachy kind of a way, you know, mic लगा के guys बहुत गलत हो रहा है दुनिया में, वैसे टाइप पता नहीं, but through her songs like The Man and stuff. So I think at least with women, it except for like the
She's relatable.
yeah, the breakups and the pyar wale gaane, which almost everybody does. I think she did just some extra things also that also made you feel like a badass woman. So, at least for me.
I
it's
think
that.
she's quite like unthreatening also when it comes to, because when you look at most pop stars.
Oh, she doesn't look perfect, right?
Yeah, like
She
if
looks perfect, bro.
No, like when you look
How
at a
does she
Dua
not?
Lipa and you're just like, oh, God.
I look at Taylor and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa.
No,
Many people
because
find
of
her
the
very
aura, you're
attractive.
saying whoa, whoa. If you just strip her down to
Did
her
you all-
physical
I find
appearance,
her
you're not wrong.
extremely
Did you all see that
beautiful.
video where
She's
she
Yeah.
had like all shamewood coming out and it's in her
Yeah.
hand?
No, I
It was so
haven't
funny, bro. At some concert, her
See,
nose was
exactly.
leaking.
But then
She's not
have you
threatening
never
at all.
blown your nose?
But you
No,
don't
that's
hold it in
okay.
your hand while performing.
What will she do? Throw it in the audience?
Yeah,
Yeah, that'll
they'll
be funny.
collect it also. You know them.
मैं तो यही कह रहा हूँ, this is her appeal that she's not perfect.
She's relatable.
Like
and-
when you
Yeah.
look at a Kylie, you're just like, oh,
Oh, yeah.
like you're kind of threatened
Yeah.
by her.
they're so
Yeah.
synthetic and you're like, why can't I look like that?
Taylor
मेरा भी
doesn't make
शेमबूट
you-
निकल रहा है Taylor जैसे.
Shampoo निकल-
That's the whole thing. Did you see that video of her twerking with Beyonce on stage?
What? I haven't seen
I'll
that.
send it to you.
Ooh.
Taylor Swift. So then
What?
people,
Where?
someone is like, you know how like if a girl does some badass dance or whoever does, online in the comments they'll say ki, oh she ate and
Yeah,
left
yeah.
no crumbs or something.
Yeah.
So everyone is like, the bread is still here, Taylor. And because she's like, you have Beyonce who's fucking killing it, okay?
Yeah.
And then Taylor's doing whatever she's doing. And she's just gonna shat on. So yeah, going back to the point where she's
हाँ वही
not,
होता है. Like I feel like she's extremely relatable. Her music and also her character. So that's why people are so
She
invested.
took a 6-minute private jet flight recently. I don't think that she's relatable, but I understand the place.
Yeah,
At
her
least,
carbon emissions are through the roof, bro.
yeah.
It's wild. Like there's someone has tracked her plane.
Yeah,
Have you seen that
even
video?
I've
It's just
seen
like going
that.
up, down
Yeah.
everywhere
Bhai,
for no reason, bro.
I'll just say this: if you have the option, anyone in the world
Anyone
would
will
do
do
it.
it, course.
yeah.
I'm not. I'm.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
मैं-
who cares about carbon emissions?
I would never fly Indigo, you know.
exactly.
I would take my
Indigo,
charter
man.
मैं भी
plane.
वही बोलने वाला था अभी. Like imagine like having to, because that 6-minute flight is gonna be what a drive or a 45-minute drive. If I can avoid that, plus your time is so much more valuable when you're Taylor Swift or someone that big. So
What will she even be doing with that time? Like, कितने गाने लिखेगी भाई वो?
लिखती
She
तो है
just
मगर-
released an
Another
album with
album came out.
31 songs.
She's
In
crazy.
the middle of a
She's
world
crazy.
tour, while she's re-recorded 4 other albums, while she's dating a man where वो हर event पे जा रही है उसके साथ. I don't know how
Who's the
she
man
has-
she's dating?
Travis Kelce.
Is that NFL player?
Yeah, he's very hot.
He's quite stupid though. Have you seen that
he's-
video of him?
I've seen her get the ick
The
after
ick
the
and-
video.
It's too funny.
But your
bro.
man has to give you a little bit of an ick. for
Every
you
once
to
in a
be-
while,
yeah.
yeah. Every once in a while.
What do you think is an ick in a man? What
trying to
has
think.
given you the biggest ick?
I'm trying to think of something that's not really specific.
Bro, but the thing about icks is you don't know it's a ick until it happens, and then you're
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, but then that's what I'm
yeah,
asking her.
yeah,
What has
yeah.
been
Yeah.
what has been your ick?
I think guys who just extremely dumb give me the ick. Matlab,
That's not an ick, bro.
Low
Good
IQ.
answer, yeah.
yeah.
That's a very safe answer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She doesn't want to.
There's a video of
trained.
this guy, like people like just trying to float in the water.
Hmm.
So like when you go underwater, everyone's feet are just like dangling. So all the comments are like, "This gives me an ick. This gives me an ick."
What gives you the ick? Wait, if I hear it, then I can probably tell.
You say, we all say.
I'm trying. Let me think about it.
if I ever see a girl fall down, yeah,
He said,
It gives you the ick?
yeah, I was like, how can you fall, bro? Like,
Fuck, I fall like every 3 hours. मैं तो खड़े खड़े गिर जाती हूँ.
see,
I'm very clumsy.
No, like it's not gonna fully ick me out, but I'll be like, you know, like especially like if a really good looking girl falls down, like, it's like you were supposed to be perfect. What happened?
So girls farting does not give you the ick.
"Girls don't fart, bro."
Yeah.
No, I don't care about all that. I don't care. I
Yeah?
feel like
What
that-
gives you the ick?
What we finish then?
नहीं, like farting is so normal, and also it kind of gives you like you're like ये कर रही है तो मैं भी.
I'll rip one off immediately.
You-
Wait, but if you're in a relationship, would you be the person who farts first in
No,
front
hell
of the
No,
other
I
person?
bro.
Definitely
I've
not,
been in
bro.
like 3 years
So you'll
long.
just hold it in.
You gotta hold it in.
Embrace the pain.
Yeah.
Choke that bitch out, bro. He
But like,
ain't
what
getting
if,
out.
what if you think that it's going to be a silent fart and then it just does not turn out to be?
But you
a
always
silent-
know when it's gonna be a silent fart or not.
Yeah, you that in touch with your body.
Yeah, I know.
No, I just feel like, see, I can choose to do it, or I could just like not do it, and I think not doing it is
Yeah.
almost always the better decision.
I don't think I can even take a dump if there's someone in the room.
I
You
can't.
take now.
I don't.
You take when I'm there.
Arre,
With
my
him,
room is-
you'll take. He'll
like,
take, no?
Yeah.
With me.
Arre,
As
with
in
you
my boat
meaning
taking.
if you're in the room, it's fine.
I have done it, but I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't think
Like
I can.
sometimes you just
I
have to
to
go,
turn
but
on like the tab, the shower, music, everything कि बाहर कुछ आवाज नहीं जानी चाहिए.
Imagine he still can hear something.
Yeah.
Some dhamakedar shit sort of taken.
what was life like before content? क्या चल रहा था? You had a full-time job, I think.
Yeah, तो मतलब हमेशा से मुझे नौकरी तो करनी थी बिकॉज पापा भी नौकरी करते थे, मम्मी भी नौकरी करती थी, तो हमारी फैमिली में किसी का बिजनेस का भी नहीं था एंड कोई क्रिएटिव फील्ड में भी नहीं था. तो जब मेरा प्लेसमेंट सीजन चल रहा था तब तो मैं प्लेसमेंट में नहीं बैठी कि
What
मुझे
did
कुछ
you
आता
study?
नहीं था. कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग.
Oh shit, you're an engineer.
या तो मुझे कुछ आता नहीं था एंड देन एज सून एज आई जो मेरा लास्ट डे था कॉलेज का उसी दिन आई गेव माई इंटरव्यू फॉर डेल एंड 5-6 दिन में रिजल्ट आ गया एंड आई गॉट माई जॉब इन डेल. सो आई लिव्ड इन बैंगलोर फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम, वर्क देयर, लिव्ड द एंटायर ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स लाइफ, बिचिंग कर रही हूँ मैनेजर से जाके कि सर.
Does that name actually exist?
या
She's watching this.
या नो आई थिंक
No?
I think more reptiles of Kurla is more her vibe. I don't think ये उसकी feed में आएगा.
Damn,
But,
bro.
Dissed her twice. in
Yeah,
one
no.
sentence.
We kind of became enemies.
Oh.
Because I didn't want to be in that job for a very long time. तो मुझे office politics करनी ही नहीं थी और वो मेरे साथ खेले ही जा रही
How
थी.
long were you there?
Almost a year.
A year?
Yeah.
ठीक है.
That's okay. It's
That's
not
very
too long.
less.
Yeah.
Well, I have no, like, I don't relate to this
Yeah.
office.
I'm
But it
life
was
and all.
really fun.
And, like,
I had a lot of fun. Plus मेरा office बहुत chill था. You could wear whatever and they would have fun Fridays. And तुम जा रहे हो 5 मिनट log in करा 2 घंटा coffee. फिर आसपास वाले टेबल वालों से बात करो. फिर 15 मिनट काम. एक कॉल ले ली US वाले client से. And the role was as such that you have to do a lot of relationship building. So most of the conversations, hi sir, how's your daughter? Oh my god, she won the gold medal. Yes, queen. So it was not work. It was pretty chill. So I had a good time. I just left the job because I hated living in Bangalore.
you started creating when you had the job.
Yeah.
That's like, I think that's the way to go about it. I think quitting everything to become a creator is.
I was
not
earning
the
more from
move.
2 reels than I was earning in the entire year
Yeah.
Wild.
at my
Than a
job.
year.
Wild.
Yeah.
भाई कितना गंदा नौकरी था ये.
गंदी mass recruitment से तो better थी यार.
But did content take off as soon as you started, or it took some time?
I don't think I've ever gone through that phase कि मैं 100 videos डाल रही हूँ और कोई नहीं देख रहा. My first video was 5,000 views and then 1-2 महीने के बाद I think 20-25 के views आने लग गए and then ऐसे करके
Is this pre-reels or
when reels launched.
when reels
COVID
launched?
creator.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all of us, I think.
Yeah.
No, actually, we started
You
before
before.
reels.
Before reels.
We started before reels.
But did it take off before reels or after reels?
I mean, to be honest, the
Like-
podcast hadn't started before.
Bro,
No,
so
the
I
podcast
remember the
started after,
first
no?
reel I put up did like 100K or something.
Oh damn! Wow.
So I was just like, okay, reels is the way to go because I
Yeah.
was doing the YouTube long format,
Yeah.
and before doing it with these guys, I was doing it solo.
Yeah. Oh.
क्योंकि कोविड में तो वैसे भी लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ था.
Yeah.
But then I realized that reels is like what you have to do, and then put the subtitles.
Yeah.
वो सब फिर मैंने बाहर
And
से
हर
करके
2
सीखा.
सेकंड में laughs. सबके मुंह पे zoom in करके.
वो तो बाद में आया.
This reel that I remember the.
उसमें ये भी लगा हुआ है watermark वो
He's
ऐप
put
का.
Spotify, YouTube logo, Instagram logo, something other logo, and then he's put captions with one black band on it.
और ऐसा 3 लाइन पैराग्राफ आ रहा है ऐसा. Like as
Bad editing.
Do you remember what you were talking about?
I was
in that?
talking about Pune ka dating
Yeah.
scene or something.
Oh,
So that was like instantly relatable for Pune
For
people. at least,
everyone.
so it did well in
And-
Pune.
Yeah.
But हाँ bro, like Reels has made it so much more like हाँ everyone has an
Accessible
audience
है
now.
अभी, yeah.
So,
I don't. मुझे याद ही नहीं है कि मैंने कब YouTube खोल के content देखा था last time.
hmm.
I can't watch long format.
You don't do anything on YouTube?
No.
Crazy.
मैं तो shorts भी नहीं डालती यार.
Mm.
True,
शॉर्ट्स
वो
तो
तो
डालना
अपना आप-
कितना पैसे बनाएगा.
I know.
पैसे की बात नहीं है, it's just a new audience.
Yeah.
But like shorts का audience is थोड़ा
I
brutal.
know.
वहाँ पे भी hate आएगा.
There तो she'll receive
क्योंकि Reels
immense hate.
If you're getting hate on Instagram, then the hate you get on Shorts is going to be a lot more
yeah.
brutal.
But
I
that'll be
don't
fun.
get a lot of hate on Instagram. It's the other platforms that I'm not even existing on. I get hate mostly. My Instagram comment section plus I've blocked so many words. I'm like, तू hate करके दिखा भाई. तू लिख रहा है paragraph आ ही नहीं रहा.
How many words have you put in there?
Some 5,000 words. I have every
You put
vari.
5,000 words.
I have like every variation of the R word. मतलब कुछ लोग 3 डाल देते हैं बीच में. 3 आई, 4 आई, 5 आई, 6. मतलब कोई गलत comment कर ही नहीं सकता है. I don't want to know.
We'll give it a try. आज रात को.
We are only commenting.
No,
Try
other
with all
people are
eyes.
like, oh, but engagement बढ़ती है जब hate comments आते हैं. So I like it. नहीं चाहिए भाई.
Do you believe in any publicity is good publicity?
No.
No, you don't.
Because it started affecting me. जब तक मुझे नहीं affect हो रहा था तब तक I was like, yeah, every publicity is good
As
publicity.
in, like, talking about something negative that's happened in your life has started affecting
No,
you?
just people being rude.
I think just like after my breakup wala scene, I started really taking it to my heart because I'm a very big hopeless romantic and लोग कह रहे हैं ऐसी औरतों को तो कभी प्यार नहीं मिल सकता और मैं कह रही हूँ नहीं यार ऐसा है क्या तो तब I think
वो
it really
personal भी है ना
started.
थोड़ा like.
Yeah.
See, if someone's hating on my content,
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah.
But if you hate on like something which is very personal, then
Yeah.
I'm just like, bhai,
And I'm a full simp when I'm in relationships. I've made the 365 reasons why I love you jar. I write letters. I pack lunch
So
boxes. I give notes with the lunch boxes. I'll send you Swiggy से खाना with a cute little note. और मुझे लोग कह रहे हैं ये लड़की रेड फ्लैग है. तो I was like,
Bro, what the fuck?
कुछ तो गलत
Like,
कर रही हूँ यार मैं.
ये सब तो I'm listening
Yeah,
to this
bro,
for
I'm
the first
loving
time,
it.
bro.
I've never heard of all this.
365 reasons.
That is wild.
I'll be happy
365.
with 4,
Every
bro.
girl, okay, every hopeless romantic woman in her life has once made the 365 reasons why I love you
But
jar.
what is the 360? Why
I've
365?
never
Like
Every
every
day
day,
of the year.
every day I have a
year you
reason.
open it, like if it's your birthday, till your next birthday you have a gift, and the reasons will
Insane.
be like because you have beautiful eyes. काली आँखें हैं बंदे की. ठीक है, normal एकदम, but beautiful eyes. Just the way you think.
You just want to love him, no? You
Yeah.
just want to love him more.
I used to be like a romantic when I was like 16, 17. I'd like make a क्या बोलते हैं उसका scrapbook with like pictures and like write a letter, this and that. But then I got cheated on, so I was like, you know what?
Maybe it was not worth writing so much.
Yeah, I think there's other ways of showing love also. Like it doesn't have to be
Money.
Money, nahi, but like
Money is always the deciding factor.
it's just the basic stuff, bro.
Always a deciding
But what are your
factor.
love languages?
Mine is quality time.
Oh, yours.
Spending quality time.
I don't know what that question means.
Yeah,
to be
what is
honest.
it?
Love language, matlab, how do you feel loved? Like, what do you do when
Oh, like, how do I feel loved? What does the other person
there's
need to
like
do?
4 love languages, right?
5.
5?
Yeah.
क्या Give us the options, then
There's
we'll know our answer.
quality time. Basically, अगर तुम grocery store भी जा रहे हो, so you want that person to come with you.
Okay.
You just want to spend time with
That's
them.
attachment issue.
Yeah, that's
There's-
not. Yeah, that's not.
There's words of
Abandonment.
affirmation.
Okay.
Oh, you're so pretty. You're gonna do so good in
Okay.
life. Mass recruitment में reject हो रहा है बंदा. You're gonna do so good in life. That's
Okay.
words
I
of
believe it.
This
affirmation.
might be. This might be.
This is bad.
Then you
one.
have gift giving. Basically, पैसे
Okay.
से प्यार खरीदना.
Materialism. Easy.
What else
Materialistic.
do you
It
have?
doesn't have to be like expensive gifts. They just like things.
Yeah.
Just show
Yeah,
that you
yeah,
care
yeah.
through.
But like the
But
more
mostly guys
expensive, the
don't
better.
do
The more expensive material, the
emotional
better.
gifts. Like I've never seen a guy open Pinterest and be like, best handmade gifts for my girlfriend to give on Valentine's
No,
Day. Guys would
like-
just buy you a teddy and be like,
I used to be broke
Love
now
it.
once upon a time, so I had to like do the letters, like make a basket with a lot of cheap stuff.
yeah.
So it amounts to one big.
It amounts to one big thing.
Yeah.
Then
And what is the fifth one?
we went to materialistic.
Wait.
Touch.
Yes, physical touch, which to every guy loves.
Yeah.
What
Yes, we
else?
do.
I'm missing
Yeah.
one more.
I don't know which.
There's one more.
This quality time, physical touch,
Gift giving.
Who set these rules?
Yeah.
words of
Psychology,
affirmation,
bro.
and there's one more.
Wait a minute.
You're both googling.
Words of affirmation, quality time, physical touch, acts of service.
Acts of service.
and-
Acts of service.
What is acts of
I like
That's
acts
something
of,
I-
yeah,
yeah.
acts of service and quality time is my thing.
So let's say you're living with somebody and बहुत सारे गंदे बर्तन and you know that she doesn't like washing the dishes, so you just wash the dishes की ताकि उसके सर से वो वाला load चला जाए.
Okay.
So just doing things that make the other person's life
Oh, I love
easier.
that. I love that.
I love when it's done for me.
It doesn't have to be a big task also. Just
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
Just
you know, I'm
Take
busy.
something
Like
off
किसी
my
का
plate.
phone charging पे लगा दिया when they
हाँ.
slept on the couch. I think that's how I can tell that it's true love.
if
Yeah.
someone puts your
Yeah,
phone. Okay.
like
I
so
put your phone to
sweet.
charge today.
Sweet you are, Stewie.
I think it's so important to have someone who's like always thinking, how can I make his life better
Yeah.
or her life better?
Hmm.
Because if you don't have that, then it's just like, okay, like you're not doing that much also, and like we've been together for 2 years now. we've done everything. How is this making my life any better? I don't know why. I'm talking in a very general sense. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is yours?
I like all of them, yeah. All of them sound so nice.
There's
Like,
something
like
that
I
you
don't
like,
care
no?
about words of affirmation. Like, ठीक है, तुम मत
हाँ,
बोलो.
words
हाँ,
of
I don't
affirmation
need to
even I
be-
don't care.
I mean,
I
I
will be
like
praised.
telling. I like telling her she looks nice.
No, but saying what do you like?
What do I like? I don't care about that. I acts of service, number one,
I think touch.
and touch also. Touch, I think, is a given for anyone who's male. Everyone likes being touched.
Not too often though. Not too often though. Like a girl who's like very touchy all
I
the
love
time.
it.
I'm
Touch
just-
me all over.
Yeah, even
I
I'm fine
enjoy
with touch.
I enjoy it. And then what is it? I like quality time I can avoid. I want I want to let her.
He doesn't
I
want
only
it.
want to spend my time touching.
No. ऐसी बात नहीं है. Quality time can, like, if I need to go get the groceries, I don't need her with me there.
I like my
In fact,
space.
she's going to slow me down when I'm going
But
to
it's
get
not
the groceries.
just that one instance.
Yeah.
na?
No, I'm just saying for the sake of
Quality
an
time
example.
is okay.
No, I want her to make time for me and like us spend time with each other, and even I'll do the same for her. But then I wouldn't put it on the top of this made up
5
list that we
Gift
have.
giving makes me a bit uncomfortable, like receiving gifts.
Yeah, because then
I
you
can't
feel
receive
obligated to
gifts.
gift her
Yeah.
something back, right?
Something bigger and better.
And if she's doing better than you, then you're just
That's
like,
very difficult to give her.
For you, bastard.
Bigger and better.
It feels nice though to get gifts, but it's just like it puts you in a spot thoda कि अभी
Yeah.
मेरे को भी कुछ करना
Yeah.
पड़ेगा.
Do you have like the nicest gift someone's given you?
My ex-boyfriend gave me AirPods. काफी पुराना ex.
Okay.
Yeah, gave me AirPods. And I think that's the one gift that I've used the most. I use it every single day, and it has like his initial and my initial. So I look at it every single day, and I'm like, what the fuck? And I put it in. So he gave me something that I still use, and I still think of him. Which
That's
is a
cool, bro.
great way to give a gift, because if I'm going to spend money on you, you better think about me every time you're using that gift.
Utility gifts are damn good.
Yeah.
Like जिसका कुछ
Functional.
है
Yeah.
Yeah.
मतलब.
I hate when people give me clothes.
Yeah, don't give me clothes.
As a guy, you shouldn't be buying clothes for girls.
Yeah.
Like, gift card दे दे भाई. Let her buy
हाँ.
it.
I don't know how to give gifts. Like I'll give you cash.
But my problem with gift cards is कि ठीक है, when you get a dress, you can be like, oh, I found this dress pretty. It may be 200 rupees or 2000 rupees. But when you're giving a gift card, you're saying कि तेरी इतनी औकात है. 1000
उसमें ही
रुपए
खरीद.
इस gift card में तू खरीद ले. Which is bad. So don't
I'm
give
okay
me
with
gift
someone
cards.
telling me, ki buy me this, then I'll buy it for you.
I can't ever tell somebody buy me
Same.
this.
Yeah.
I'll be like, you should know, because I looked at it in Sephora for 2 seconds longer than what I usually look at products. So you should have known that I needed
No,
that.
but then that way girls just do that, bro. They like go to a store and look at everything, touch it, and say, "This is cute," and they just
They
move
walk
on.
off.
And they do this for like 70 different like
Yeah.
clothes. So how do you even tell?
You can tell. For sure.
I think it's something you experiment with. You get something like
Yeah.
you get something, and if she wears it,
Yeah.
because you know sometimes you get something and they're like, "Oh, this is great," and she
Yeah.
never
She
wears
never
it.
wears it, yeah.
That's happened.
So I
With
think
you?
once if you
Yeah.
get it right, then I used to
Yeah.
ask my mom to get it, but then my mom is getting it from like a 40-year-old woman's perspective.
Yeah.
So matlab,
Yeah, so it's kind of skewed, like what
Yeah.
she thinks looks good and
yeah.
correct. I used to hate going to the mall with my ex-girlfriend.
Why?
It was painful.
I
Because
think
they
all
don't-
guys just hate shopping with women, and women love shopping with their boyfriends.
I hate shopping in general. I don't want to shop.
I don't mind shopping.
I like shopping with a girlfriend if we're shopping for me,
Yeah.
because then
How narcissistic.
no,
are
bro,
you?
because you wear something and if she says good, like
That means it's
I'm not
okay.
trying to impress anyone else, right? Like
Yeah.
she's impressed,
Oh,
so
how
it's
sweet.
this is good. Like
Little green
you
flag
don't
baby.
you don't have to think
अभी
twice.
ब्रेकअप हुआ है, कल कमेंट से लड़की उठाऊंगा ये सब.
Hey, bro, but like for her, you know, like what I don't like about it is she's not taking my opinion seriously. Like she'll wear something, I'll be like, "This is great." She'll be like, "No, I don't think so." I'm
Yeah,
telling
but
you,
if we
it's
wear something ugly and you say it's great, we also judge you, because we're like, कैसा boyfriend है ये? Literally zero input while shopping.
but then I don't want to say, nah, it doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Do I
that's
look
also
fat
true.
in this?
No.
Not at all.
All the
the
options
only
are wrong.
answer.
Has anyone ever asked you that? I've never,
What?
I've never been asked.
do I
The fat trap.
No. I've luckily not been trapped in that.
Do I look fat in this?
Mhm.
What do you say? What's the right answer?
No.
No, obviously.
But what if
Always?
she's actually looking fat in it then?
No.
But then
She-
you'd want her to
She'll
like.
figure it out and
No,
she'll
then
change
she'll be
it.
like, "Oh, so only in this I don't look fat. I look fat otherwise."
You're just dating the wrong women. Yeah. Why are they trying to gaslight you?
No, I don't date fat women. Is it wrong to say that you feel? Like, is it wrong to say I'm not into fat girls?
No, it's
No,
not
I don't
wrong,
think.
right?
I
Like a
think it's a
preference.
It's a
personal.
preference.
I think calling people fat is wrong
Why?
because you're on the internet.
But
Yeah.
if you're not, then
Then तो obviously सब
I
अपने
think-
groups में सबको बोल रहे हैं यार.
If you go out of your way to tell
मतलब
someone,
जब तक you're not saying it to the person, you're supposed to have opinions on people is what I think.
you can back bitch.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
No, see, if I have a friend who is like fat and is getting fatter, I think I'll maybe say, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
call
I
Out of
too
love,
won't say.
out of love and support, I'll be like,
I
bro,
won't
yeah,
say.
you thought
No,
about
everyone
You
told
wouldn't
me
say?
last year.
I would never
What?
say.
This
But
guy,
I
na?
became
But they
fat,
need
yeah.
your advice as a friend, as someone who cares about them.
If they're asking for that advice, I could be like, yeah, bro, maybe you could work
No, bro,
out
like
if you
if-
like it. But I would not go
हाँ,
out of
प्यार
my
से
way
बोलेंगे ना, प्यार से
to go
मतलब,
and say कि
"ए,
भाई सुन
fatty."
तू पहले ही मोटा था
ए,
तो
मोटे कम कर जरा चर्बी.
I feel like it's okay to call people fat.
Not
If
too
they are
out of-
fat, they can be called fat. And
If
I
they are
am
fat,
I am
yes.
as okay with them looking at me and calling me circuit or calling me whatever they want.
Circuit?
With the because of
Oh.
fucking glasses.
Oh.
But I'm just saying,
Mm.
I'm okay with that. If you can give one, then you should be able to take
Yeah,
that also.
exactly.
Yeah,
Like
I
that
mean,
day I
I've
saw
been
this.
skinny shamed, so isn't that the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's still better to be skinny shamed than to be
Yeah.
fat shamed.
But then again, these things are all subjective. Like you might not find a fat woman attractive. Maybe some are really hot.
Yeah.
I just can't imagine.
Yeah, same.
I was trying to
I
think of-
disagree with you on that.
No, but people are into that. Like I've seen people
Yeah.
who are just like
Pasha
that-
likes.
It's usually the skinny guys who like healthy women.
I like how people
yeah,
have started
dude.
calling it healthy
When it's unhealthy.
when it's not. Okay, fuck it. Let's not talk about this.
Let's ignore.
Like we're okay with the hate, bro. So, matlab, if you wanna like,
But I genuinely don't go and call people fat. Yeah. I think it in my head, obviously,
Mm.
but I just don't. I've been fat for like a portion of my childhood, and I've been bullied a lot. So मेरे को
you
नहीं
have the
करना
F
चाहिए.
word pass.
Yeah.
Were you like a chubby kid?
Yeah.
Therefore.
And then when did you like lose weight?
ऐसे ही randomly puberty hit me. And
Acha, it's
Then
not
it's-
one of those success stories.
no.
No, but you've
started
been working
running.
out now.
It's
properly.
not beer bicep का podcast ना.
Good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, we can make it like you can make up a story. We'll,
I'm very
And then
bad.
we'll just
at-
not
no, you've been
We'll
working
add,
out
like,
now.
say yes.
We'll
Yeah.
add like inspirational BGM.
Oh, really? That's all I'll do.
How's that going?
Good only. I saw a very cute boy in my gym, and now I just have motivation to go every single day.
But do you see him
Because
every
you-
day?
No,
Only once.
but I've been like I am working out हर दिन अलग अलग टाइम पे to figure out कि वो किस टाइम पे आता है and like what is his usual time.
Did you like make eye contact and stuff?
Yeah, fully.
So maybe he's also trying to figure out what time you
And
come.
both of them are just missing each
It's
other.
not aligning.
Yeah.
Are you planning on making a move on this person?
No.
You aren't?
Do you
No,
ever
why
make
not?
the first move or you wait for the guy to?
I made the first move once in my life. It was the worst decision that I'd
The
ever
worst move I
taken.
ever made.
Yeah. So I would rather not. I like my guys obsessed with me. Like I don't want to feel like the guy in the relationship.
Mm.
Strong, independent woman नहीं बनना मुझे. I want to feel like a girl. So I don't want to make.
I'm
So you
just
like
a
it when the guy
Yeah.
when the guy comes up to you and
Yeah.
I feel like that's the more natural way also.
But in the gym, how do you just approach someone? It's so creepy.
it's okay, bro.
Why?
Want me to lift you a little bit? I don't know.
I'll help you with that.
Yeah.
Gym is thoda.
She doesn't even need help. She's exercising. I'll help you with that.
I work out with like 2.5 kg dumbbells. तो कोई help of yeah.
What exercise are you doing?
This chest fly and I don't know whatever. And it's really heavy, guys.
2.5.
I don't know how the gym bros are doing it.
How many reps do you do?
15.
15. And it's like heavy from the
I-
start.
No. Around the 6th one, it's really heavy. 10th one, I want to give up. And then,
And then the trainer's like,
Then-
come on, 5 more.
yeah, come on, you can do it.
4.
And he'll be, and my form is the worst form I've ever, like every time I post a story, everybody's like, क्या form है ये दीदी? अब मत डाला करो. But he'll be like, wow, great going, Apurva. तो,
उसको तो पैसे मिल रहे भाई. Obviously he's going to say great going.
yeah.
Gym में थोड़ा tricky है, bro. Like क्योंकि some girls are just there to work out. They don't want to be hit on. Like you know. So like you go up to them and they're just like excuse me. And they're like can I just work out in peace?
Yeah.
And then you want to kill yourself. But like in a different setting, I feel like girls appreciate being approached.
I've never approached like a girl in the
Random
gym.
girl, na?
But to be honest, the time in my life where I was going to the gym very often, it was always like aunties in my
That
कौन से
sounds
जिम में
like
जा
a-
रहा था
I
bro?
was going to a very old gym called Status.
Oh, that's an auntie gym only.
Yeah, it's a auntie. It's only old people who go, and I used to go in the afternoon because I had nothing to do at the time.
I don't understand. Every time I go to the gym at 2:33, my gym is full.
How?
I get कि मैं बेरोजगार हूँ.
It must be one
What
of
the
these
fuck are you guys doing on like a Monday 2:30 p.m.?
popular
You
gym.
live
yeah.
in Andheri, no?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
All struggling actors just
trying to.
coming
Yeah,
to
that
the
makes
gym.
sense.
Yeah.
Because
But no, none of them look like actors.
So that's why they're in the gym, na?
Yeah.
To like.
That's why they're struggling.
Do you have goals like with your body? Do you want a six pack or something?
Pehle, I did want abs, and then every time I would tell somebody that I want a fat ass and like a tiny little waist, they would be like, yeah, then just stop eating this and that and stop drinking alcohol. तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, नहीं चाहिए, इतने में ठीक है. थोड़ा पेट कम हो जाए और ऐसा लगे कि मैं अपना सूटकेस खुद से उठा सकती हूँ अगली बार यूरोप में, तो I'll be good.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think now I'm going more for the कि एक घंटा कोई मेरे को कॉल ना करे and like I actually move my body and do something nice at least for my body.
I don't think the 2.5s are.
Listen, shut up, okay? It's better than nothing.
Yeah,
It's
it
better
is
than doing the peace sign in your room the entire day. So,
No, it does make a difference. Even just mood wise, bro.
yeah.
Like
I
after
do
it, you
feel
feel
better.
like, I feel like, and when you go to the gym every day, even if you don't do anything for the rest of the day, you feel like, okay,
Yeah.
I've done something at least.
And I'm literally not getting any other physical activity whatsoever. So the gym is the only thing that moves my body.
Has it been a while since you've gotten any?
Yeah, it's been long.
I thought we weren't.
What's the food situation like? Have you been eating healthy?
So I've moved from pizzas and burgers to avocado toast on multigrain sourdough bread, which I think is
Or
great.
pizza and pasta every day.
From.
Yeah,
No,
मतलब I
but like
would have
before it
like
was like that.
चार दिन तो हफ्ते में I would have pizza or burger for sure.
What the fuck?
You can't be living like that, yeah.
हाँ भाई, I live like that.
I was living
What is
like
wrong
that.
with y'all?
गलत क्या है उसमें?
Do that 4
मतलब
days a
गलत
week.
तो बहुत कुछ है, but I was living like that.
Yeah.
And then I started like just adding more protein. Oh my god, I feel like such a gym girl.
With your 2.5 kilos.
Yeah. I have boiled eggs in the morning and then I have like grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken for lunch,
Yeah.
dinner.
Dinner तक तो आते again I'm ordering something on Swiggy, but at least 2 meals
That's okay.
I
I
eat.
think
meals is sorted.
I think the way to go is to delete the apps. That's what I've done. I've deleted the
I
apps.
Forced you
would
to cook.
never.
That's
It
what
helps,
I had
bro.
done.
But
It
then
helps.
Instamart?
I
have
love Instamart.
Blinkit.
Oh.
Blinkit and Zepto started a cafe, bro. So I had to delete that also because I would order Zepto
What are
cafe
you
all the
saying?
time.
Are you not eating anything from outside?
Nothing.
Zero.
I've cut it out fully.
तू तो घर का ही खाना खा रहा है. Fuck.
This has
वो
been
भी
like
हम-
now, but.
मेरा तो उल्टा
Yeah,
है.
ever since I've come back.
I don't eat at home at all.
Let's see how long it goes, but it just feels nicer. Kyunki, like that food, it tastes good, but like it makes you feel like shit after.
Yeah.
Like after a pizza, you're just sitting there. You're like,
Yeah.
what have I just done to myself?
I fucking
Yeah.
love it. All the grease and
No,
but
but-
after, bro, like your
After,
throat is like
I
there's
can't
the oil is in
anymore.
your throat. Then you have to have Coke to wash the oil down
Yeah.
your throat. I've also replaced Coke with like soda, normal soda, just plain. So no sugar, nothing.
That's
Pretty
kind of that's a
extreme,
very
Wow.
psychopathic route.
So I'm trying to
No, but there
cut
are also
out.
like 0-calorie drinks
For
na,
sugar,
that are
for
made
sugar.
of
claim
soda and
zero
whatever.
calories. A lot of things will claim 0 calories and then not have.
See, the thing is, I'm trying to cut out the worst things.
Hmm.
Okay, so you know, Coke is like one of the worst things you can have, right?
Is
Because of the sugar.
I don't know. I love Coca-Cola.
Even I like it. Coke.
I
like
do
Diet
3.
Coke,
I
yeah.
have done enough. They have made me enough money. I love it.
Yeah, I mean,
You work
I'll
with Coke?
I'm open to drinking again if they pay money, but it's just like I'm trying to get rid of the worst things, and then slowly I'll like do the things that are not that bad, like a pizza once in a while.
I think a pizza is fine.
But I think you should have like
Pizza
a
is
strict
the
diet.
worst
then
thing that you
it's-
can have.
Why is it the worst thing? It's got cheese, which is healthy fats. It's got like
In-
bread,
Not the-
What
which
about the
tastes
bread?
good. It's got meat, protein,
Processed.
and it's got tomato sauce, which is a fruit. Perfect. It's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, see, the key is to do a bit of it now and then.
Yeah.
Like if like you said, burger and pasta and pizza
Sparing.
every day, that's just not it, bro.
good.
Like
Yeah.
you can't. You can't.
Don't
Well,
listen to him.
Bro, फिर वो when you have it also it feels so much nicer when you've had it like
It's
after
like a reward
while.
after that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I also don't believe in just being so strict with ये वो like the Virat Kohli diet where he's just like
खाली अंडे खा रहा है वो.
his water is from the mountains, his eggs are.
But that water also matters, bro. Like quite
अभी
honestly.
कितना कंट्रोल करोगे भाई? प्योरीफायर का पानी आ रहा है अभी, इससे ज़्यादा साफ कहाँ से लाओगे?
Fucking don't end up drinking water only in the day.
Yeah, even I don't drink water.
1 लीटर भी नहीं जा रहा है शायद. 1 liter max.
That's very bad.
Yeah, it's very bad.
I drink a lot of
I've heard you're supposed to put a pinch of pink salt in your water, and that like the water you have hydrates you more.
मुझे समझ आया कि हम कुछ भी सही नहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हम जितना सोचते हैं हम उतना गलत कर रहे हैं. हेल्दी रहना तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है इस लाइफ टाइम में. Apparently rice is also not nice, huh?
Yeah.
Why? What is
What
wrong
the
with rice now?
fuck?
I only eat rice.
It has a
There.
lot of carbs.
Complex carbohydrates.
Yeah.
I'll just stop eating.
So you should be having this much dal and this much rice.
So
I mean,
stupid.
the point of all these diets is for you to get a certain amount of specific nutrients on in everything you're eating. Now, dal will give you protein, yes, but how much protein is it actually
Dude,
giving
I've
if you're
understood
having one small katori?
Grilled chicken is fine. Like I think that one is safe. So I just have most of that only. Like grilled chicken as much as I can. I haven't heard anyone say anything about grilled chicken
Yet.
yet.
कुछ गलत नहीं है
तो
grilled
तब तक
chicken
मैं
में.
यही
I
चलाऊंगा.
asked my cook to make me a salad and I come back home उसमें आधा डब्बा मेयो था.
I love
But it
it.
must have
And-
tasted nice.
It just tasted of the mayo.
And then it's not.
और 2 पत्ते लेटस के साइड में ऐसे like as a garnish लगे हुए हैं and then it's just chicken and mayo with
तूने story
corn.
नहीं डाला उसका?
डाला था मैंने.
See, at least you got good content out of it.
Like that, you look at that and like, who are we kidding?
Is everything content for you? Like, is nothing holy that you feel like, okay, maybe इसका नहीं लूँ video or photo?
I don't post my parents a lot, very rarely. Same with my brother. Like कभी ऐसे बहुत rarely एक photo, कभी trip पे गए तो 2-3 pictures ऐसा. Mostly I'll post my pictures only. But apart from that, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं that I can't share.
You're okay with being fully public with the world?
Yeah, अब relationship I won't make public for sure. But उसके अलावा yeah.
But do you enjoy it? Do you enjoy like everything that you do and you post it? There's like a bunch of people who are reacting to it instantly. Like you're getting instant feedback on everything that you post.
I don't read my DMs.
Not at all?
No.
But what about people you follow?
I have muted every single person that exists. Like
It's like
who's an
just a workstation,
influencer.
bro. For her, this platform is just okay. I'll write the script, I'll do this video, and then I'm done.
So what do you
Next.
do on the app? You don't like scroll.
She just uploads shit.
मेरे तो फीड में एक भी इंडियन क्रिएटर नहीं आता बिकॉज आई गॉट इन टू दिस हैबिट वेयर आई वुड वॉच क्रिएटर्स एंड लाइक भाई इसके इतने व्यूज आ रहे हैं बट ये क्या कंटेंट है एंड दिस पर्सन इज डूइंग दैट ब्रांड डील व्हाई एम आई नॉट. तो मैंने सबको म्यूट कर दिया एंड आई वाज लाइक आई तो फर्स्टली डोंट एंजॉय योर कंटेंट. मैं हेट वॉच कर रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं देखना.
So then what does your feed look like?
It's all travel, 3 places you must visit. You're young
Educational
and
shit.
wild and free. Take the chance. It doesn't matter if he broke your heart. You're a caterpillar now. You'll be a butterfly. It's all of that content. Like you go on there and you're like, wow, I'm the best person to ever exist, bro. The algorithm knows it.
Yeah. I think that's the way to go about it because like,
Clean your feed.
yeah.
I'll
Yeah.
get bored.
Because
of
see,
it.
I personally wouldn't be on social media if we weren't doing this. Like
Yeah.
there is nothing good that I'll get from it.
Yeah.
I think YouTube is an exception. YouTube is not really social media, it's a video
Yeah.
platform and I learn a lot from YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But on Instagram it's just like no matter how much I try to make my feed like educational or on
Yeah.
Instagram there'll be like one random बच्चे को थप्पड़ पड़ रहा है and the comments में they're like oh ये वो. So like you can't get rid of it.
I
fully.
can't stop reading comments.
Same.
I love
मुझे
comments.
content से ज़्यादा content
Same.
comments
Comments are the
पसंद
best
है.
as compared
Everyone's
to
a
the content.
comedian now, like on Instagram.
I love it.
I also feel like posts in general are just reaching an audience that they're not meant to be. Or like
Yeah.
not something.
They
Yeah,
intentionally
yeah,
do
yeah.
it, I feel, nowadays though.
I think the internet has become a very humbling tool. Because if anyone does something which is actually cool, the comments are all wholesome and supportive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But when someone is pretending to do something cool, everyone sees through it or comments में they let them know.
Yeah.
कि तुम like the guy is going and giving food to the poor, but you know his intention isn't. People see it and they point it out.
Yeah.
So which is great. I think people are becoming
I feel the comment
self-aware.
section is like good. Like it was a good
Yeah.
feature to let everyone share their opinion.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's funny.
Okay, what else are you gonna shoot now? Are you going to any countries or?
I don't know if I want to do travel vlogs anymore. I think मैंने यूरोप से 25 vlog निकाल लिए मुझे मेरे पास
25 वीडियो है तेरे पास.
हाँ और मैं अभी
That's crazy.
8वीं वीडियो पे हूँ यार तो इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो. मैं पहले बहुत मजे करती थी ट्रैवल करते हुए. अब वो प्रेशर हो गया कि बनाना पड़ेगा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होना चाहिए.
But have you like traveled without making content?
Yeah. I started making content from my last 2-3 trips. उससे 2 trips. उससे पहले तक तो I don't even take out my phone when I'm traveling because I don't want to know. But yeah.
Where all did you go?
Where? When?
No,
When
like
you weren't
overall,
shooting.
When you haven't shot.
Oh, I went to Ibiza.
Such a bad.
And
And it is exactly what you. मतलब when you hear the line कि I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. It really sums up Ibiza. Every 10 meters, there's a black guy, and I'm not being racist. It's genuinely a black guy
yeah,
who's selling you one or another drug.
yeah.
एंड तुम बस सड़क से खरीद सकते हो. एंड इवन व्हेन यू नो अगर तुम क्लब के अंदर भी घुस रहे हो, nobody is buying alcohol. Everybody is just buying water. Their entire sales is
How
water.
do the clubs make money? They charge entry.
From water. Water is what?
Water's more
600,
expensive
700 rupees a bottle.
Yeah, water's more
Oh.
expensive over there.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
But isn't Ibiza like a scary place?
No.
They like drug you and they loot you over there.
No.
I've seen a lot of videos like that.
No.
Where like your
From-
hotel
not
room is
from
just
what I
cleaned.
hear.
Your hotel room has just been cleaned off.
I mean, it depends on what you're doing over there.
But
If
it also
like
depends
someone
where you're
walks,
staying, I think.
extremely expensive.
Yeah,
भाई
of
वहाँ
course,
पे
bro.
2-star hotel property is 70-80K a night.
Why is it so
Beautiful.
expensive?
It's a party place.
Yeah.
Which all
It
places
has-
did you go to?
I went to High
Pacha.
Pizza. I went to Uivasha. I don't know.
Ui Vasha.
that
Uyasha.
even I don't know how to say it.
Something like that only.
Ushai.
Ushai.
Yeah.
Ushaya.
How do you know
Yeah.
all these places?
I
Not
just-
that-
Ushaya is famous.
Ushaya
is a
I
famous
just didn't know how
nightclub.
to say it.
And I think, yeah, only these two.
Cafe Mambo, you didn't go?
No. I was only
He's
there
gone
for
there.
2 days.
Yeah, I know all of these places, that's why.
But I think I would do like my bachelorette trip in Ibiza.
Pizza.
It
Uske
would be
baad the shadi
hangover
will be a bit.
3.0,
Hangover
4.0 types.
Crazy.
It'll be
That
really
you can
fun.
document, bro. That'll be so much.
Oh shit,
No,
that
I
you-
everything,
don't
not
wanna
everything,
document.
but
I
that'll
don't
be
wanna
such a
वो
cool.
document करने के बाद the शादी will be a bit.
शादी जेल में.
शादी होगी ही नहीं.
Second thoughts.
But then how was Amsterdam?
Amsterdam, I didn't like Amsterdam.
Why?
Because जब लोग एम्स्टरडैम के बारे में बात करते हैं सब बोलते हैं क्रेजी पार्टी हो रही है ये वो. एम्स्टरडैम इज अ प्लेस टू चिल.
Yeah.
तुम सब लोग वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, फूक रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, एंड दैट्स इट. देयर आर नो मतलब प्रॉपर क्लब्स भी नहीं है वहाँ पे. वो एक लाइन है उसमें जैसे थाईलैंड में पटाया बीच पे पार्टी होती है, पटोंग बीच पे पार्टी होती है. इट्स द सेम थिंग कि ऐसे 4 क्लब हैं, उधर लाल लाइटें जल रही हैं, अंदर 3 लोग डांस कर रहे हैं, बाकी सब बस बहुत तेज एक दूसरे से व्हाट्स योर नेम ऐसे करके बात कर रहे हैं. दैट्स इट. So
The clubs are
Amsterdam-
quite shit.
But
over there.
Amsterdam makes sense for it to be a chill place because everyone's just high and no one wants to party when they're high.
I don't know. I thought Amsterdam is like a party place.
No, it's not a party.
It's only
place.
because of the red light district she probably heard.
Yeah.
heard that.
Yeah.
Did you go to the red light district?
Yes, I went to
Did you
like
enjoy yourself?
2 strip shows also.
How was
Wow.
it?
Damn fun.
No?
I love strip shows.
I've heard even Thailand has like crazy.
Thailand has crazy.
That's like
so
crazy.
there's this thing in Thailand. It's called a pussy ping pong show.
Yeah, I know.
And-
What is that?
What
It's in the name, bro.
Like you
Pussy
should
ping
just
pong.
experience it once in your life. And the craziest part is कि there's this woman and वो एक ऐसे
Yeah.
Coke की bottle में there's a fish and there's water and she would put the fish and the water inside her vagina and then she'll take it out in a bowl. And there'll be people who are like getting frogs out of out of their vaginas and razor blades.
It's like a sex circus.
It's disgusting. Like you would not,
Then why are you recommending this?
because you should
Because I-
experience it once in your life. Like
Out of my
like-
pussy something is coming.
it's extremely disgusting.
Oh, it's like one of those things where like how far does a person go to entertain?
Did
Yeah.
you
This
not
is like
feel
the
weird
farthest.
though after seeing it, like down there?
No,
No.
no.
Like if I saw something come out of someone's dick,
Yeah,
it like
hell
hurt
no,
me.
man.
No. Oh, they also have this guy who has this huge dick, and वो एक ऐसे बहुत ही भारी पानी की बॉटल अपने
That is so
वेट लिफ्ट
cool.
कर रहा है वो.
हाँ
2.5 kilos.
वो एक्चुअली ऊपर उठाता है नीचे लेके आता है ऊपर उठाता है नीचे. It's insane.
How is he holding it? Does it have
Put
a
it
mouth?
on a hook, yeah. Like
Yeah.
this.
Oh, he's put on a hook. It's hanging on.
Yeah.
It's hanging off his
The
dick.
bucket is
Okay.
hanging.
But how big can this guy's dick be?
Bigger than yours.
That
It
तो
was
obviously यार
pretty
मैं
big.
थोड़ी
It
ना
was-
उठा सकता हूँ. Weight lifting.
I think this much. This
That's
much.
crazy.
How much is that? That's
That's-
that's not as big as I thought she.
Yeah, I was
What
also
did you
expecting
think,
like a
bro?
12.
What did
I
you
don't know.
like
Why if it's
I mean,
weightlifting
see, it depends
objects,
on how
then
your
it's weightlifting.
expectations are set. For me, this is very big.
Okay.
But this is
Okay.
big,
This is
I
very
think, in
big for anyone, bro.
This is a log. It's not even.
That is not a person.
Yeah.
That
That is
Yeah.
a horse.
But Amsterdam ke shows that way are really classy and like how
Would
you would
recommend.
expect it to be.
Mm. And which is like what?
like sensual.
Yeah. Like you would want to spend your money there.
Mm.
Hard-earned
Who had you-
podcast money.
Who had you gone with?
I went with my friend Anune, who's like my Rakhi brother,
Oh.
and my another friend.
We've hung
Arey,
out
we've
with
met.
Anu- we've hung out with Anune.
Oh yeah.
okay.
So
Yeah, he's fun.
He's a very fun person, yeah.
very fun. Love the guy.
He though must have had a good time.
Why do you say that?
We wouldn't.
Anuna
you?
is like a
I don't
very...
know.
No, I'm saying
wouldn't
in
you have a good
Amsterdam.
time?
I
wouldn't-
hopefully one day whenever I get to.
Yeah,
go.
that's one of the places I want to go, like to a strip club, just to.
I thought he was going to say
It's
Amsterdam.
Amsterdam में हो किधर भी हो, like a strip club. I feel like it's a one of those things that
Yeah.
you.
But would
just
you
gotta
be
do
the
it
guy
all.
जो ऐसे बस पैसे उड़ा रहा है या would you just
Yes.
not tip?
No, I would tip.
How much?
They're hardworking, bro.
How much would you tip?
It
Yeah,
depends
go
on how
to-
much
I-
she's working.
Extremely hot girl working the pole, doing splits left, right, and center. She comes
I'll-
up to you.
10.
How much would you tip?
I'll go.
$10?
Yeah.
No, I'll go get a stack of ones
Okay.
so that you
But
can
how
tip
much?
a lot. Bro, so if
Shower
I'm
hose.
Where would you put it? Your
Everywhere.
ones.
Where does she want
wherever
Where does she want it?
wherever she pleases.
Yeah.
I think if you're going, you go properly. And you're like, okay, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna spend this much money on
Yeah.
this experience. Now that will be in tips or drinking or and you're not thinking about ki it's just
Kitna
something
kharcha
you do. And you're not going to the strip club if you're broke. Like I'm
Yeah.
assuming you're a
Yeah.
well-to-do person who's going to the strip
But
club.
Thailand में all you have to do is you have to get a 600 रुपए की beer अंदर से क्योंकि बाहर 150 की मिलती है and then you can sit there for an hour and watch and that's what most people
And
do.
then they come and throw you off after an hour.
And then do
Yeah,
you do?
then they're like you need to buy another drink or you go out.
So as long as you're
Go out.
spending money at the establishment, then you can stick around.
But
See the
600
naked
रुपए
ladies.
क्या है for you to like be
Then no
pulling out
tips?
frogs from
No
your
tips.
See,
Yeah, that's cheap.
People don't tip.
not a lot. Thailand, mostly broke people come. Which rich person is going to a strip club in Thailand
That
Yeah,
is
I
true.
think, yeah.
to watch a
true.
pussy ping pong show?
Crazy.
But isn't like
I mean,
pussy
you went.
quite-
I think, see, tipping in general is a good habit.
Yeah.
Because if you're not able to do it, that's one thing. But if you can do it, like to whatever extent, I feel like, kar do bhai. Wo, like the person who gets that tip na, it's just like for them is, मतलब कुछ
Eye-opening.
crazy हो गया आज तो.
Yeah.
इसने 50 रुपए extra दे दिया. And also the next time you go, they treat you very well.
Yeah.
So
I saw this
So
one
you want to be
video.
a repeat customer at the
At the
strip club?
Thai
no,
strip
I'm just
club.
saying in general, it's good to tip.
If I'm
I
there-
don't know. Maybe I haven't experienced it yet. So.
Do they charge service tax?
No.
Okay, then tipping should be
तू
considered.
निकाल रहा है क्या बिल से
Yeah.
सर्विस टैक्स?
If I don't want, if it's there and if it's not justified, then yes, I will take it off the bill.
I don't understand why do they take service charge from us at the bar? I have walked
Exactly.
up
There's no
to
service.
you and I'm waiting in line. There's
और
no
तू
service
fridge
over
से निकाल
there.
के दे रहा है बाटली.
Exactly.
बार पे तो you should tip, bro, because then all your drinks after that are strong. Like
Yeah.
yeah, so
I've never tipped at a bar.
the first drink that you get, go and tip, like with your first drink, and then go to the same bartender and then see how he treats you.
I don't think women.
So
need
it's
I mean,
kind of
women,
ca-
she probably doesn't need.
हाँ, I mean I'm a dude, so like that's
Have you gotten free drinks at a bar and felt special about it?
No.
Never.
This one guy wanted to buy me a drink, but I was pretty sure that he's gonna spike it, so I just didn't get
you
it.
could just tell.
Yeah.
He was wearing a mask.
No, he was just giving very you vibes. Joe Goldberg from You Vibes.
Oh fuck. You, I thought she was pointing at me.
How did she know? Shit, she remembers me.
And then I feel like अगर तुम किसी से free drink ले रहे हो, then they just automatically assume that to repay you,
There's something
I'm going to
coming.
repay with my body for a 800 rupee drink. So I would rather not.
So you'd rather just not accept the drink, right?
Yeah.
That's the advice.
I think it's just a bad opener also. Can I buy you a drink?
Yeah, you
I've tried this once in my life
What
and
would your opener be at a club? What do you think is like
just
the...
go say hi.
Then?
Hi.
Hi.
I hate talking at clubs.
Same.
Everybody's
It's too
just
loud.
screaming
नहीं,
into
club
their
पे तो नहीं
ears.
होता है. Usually at a place where it's like not too loud, where you can also speak. I think the best thing to do is just go say hi, and or a compliment, but a compliment which is not too direct. Like don't say
I like your
nice.
tits.
Yeah, don't say that. Like nice ass.
Like your
Something very specific. Oh, I like your.
tits.
Oh, I
mean, if
like
they're
I like
nice,
your
if they're
tattoo.
nice.
If she has a tattoo, like acknowledge that, or just like because if you're complimenting the eyeliner and stuff, she might think that you're not into women. You know,
Correct.
so like a subtle compliment.
That's
can
how
I-
you'd start like the
Yeah.
conversation.
Because I did
How
the.
many girls are you getting by
So,
doing this?
I don't. So approaching women just at the club or outside, it was like a strict no. Because I've seen other guys do it, and I was like, I'd never want to be that guy.
Yeah.
But now I'm kind of opening up to it because I think there is a good way of doing
जैसे
it.
उम्र
Yeah.
बढ़ रही है, pool कम हो
I've
रहा है.
never. Yeah, even I've never approached anyone.
Ever.
Because I'm tired of the whole Instagram.
I'm scared of rejection.
Yeah.
So why would you go?
So
and
you'll
just
never
say-
ask. You'll always DM or something.
No, I've never even DM'd anyone first.
So you're the prize. Everyone has to DM you.
Everyone has to chase it. I did the can I buy you a drink once, like a long time ago, and she said, I can buy my own drinks. So I was just like, see,
Oh
Empowering.
my god.
I'm never doing that one again.
Fuck it.
What do you think is a good one? Good opening line.
I've never
Gotten an
listened
opening
to a
line.
good opening line.
Oh really?
But what would it be?
Something that's not too try hard, like pickup lines. Pickup lines, I feel like if it's good enough on text, it works, but in person, there is no way you can.
I think just you're really pretty is a good line.
That's so generic though.
But तुम्हें वही सुनना
so
पसंद है. I don't
impressed.
want to talk about my fucking tattoos at a club, dude. Like मुझे
Yeah.
नाचना है वैसा.
I tried this one once, where I looked at whoever the woman was and said, "That looks great on you." And she said, "Oh, thank you. Like, what are you talking about?" So I said, "Your smile." And then it worked
It
out.
worked?
Yeah.
It worked.
Yeah.
There weren't many options that night.
Only
There were
I
no
was-
boys.
I spiked her drink.
No, but yeah, I think if you do that on text, that's really cringe. But saying that to somebody's face would be kind of
Even
cute.
worse.
Yeah.
No, because then it requires guts.
Yeah.
If you're doing it online, you're probably just googling best opening lines and then
Yeah.
just posting the first
I think it's the
one.
confidence that kind of
Yeah.
gets you. Because a lot of times people aren't approaching in the first place, and the ones who are doing it are just like you said, you're like scared कि
Yeah.
भाई ये कुछ कर देगा. But like if you look like a decent person and you go and
I feel
just
like that's
start
where it
talking,
starts.
looking like a decent
Yeah,
person.
you've
Then
gotta-
how did she say yes to you?
Oh, I don't? Is that what you're saying?
No, you look amazing. Everybody's
Exactly.
beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
In their own way.
What did you ask me?
Bro,
What did she say is what she's asked.
Oh, huh. What did she say? I think she just felt she blushed,
Cute.
And then?
and then it never worked out after that.
Why?
I don't know. It just
Like
You
that
know?
night it worked out after
and
that.
then
it
after that it didn't.
So it worked out.
Yeah.
Just the way you wanted.
But bro, to be fair, you can't
I'm
find
joking.
love at the club.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, you
I
don't
think
know,
dating
bro.
apps
Like
is
I've
Where
heard.
can
I'll
you
find
find love? Like I
Dating
don't
apps, bro.
understand.
मिलता ही नहीं है मालूम है.
नहीं
100%.
यार.
no.
I think the bottom of the pyramid is on dating apps, and
Yeah.
it's for a reason.
Yeah.
And I'm literally on dating apps, so I know.
You're still
Why
on
are
dating.
you on
apps?
dating apps?
एक तो मैं राया पे accept नहीं हो रही.
ये सबका issue है
Hey,
क्या?
I got an invite the other day.
For
I
me,
have
try.
like 12
We'll try.
referrals on Raya.
Yeah, but we've heard it's not that
Yeah, a lot of
useful
people-
because like
Yeah.
you're getting people from outside India all the time.
That's what
It's not like the
apparently
other
works like
dating
that.
apps where you're just swiping. You get like 5 people.
Oh.
Yeah, and like the other membership which you have to pay like,
1,500 per month.
1,500 is where you
basic.
get only 5 people.
What the
and then
Then
it's
you
like
pay
5K.
5,000 or something, and
Yeah,
that's where
no,
you get
thank
the
God I'm
whole
not
world.
getting accepted.
Bro, वो dating app का, I'm with you on that. Because why can't you get with anyone outside of this
Yeah,
app? Like,
yeah.
कुछ तो दिक्कत होगा
And
तेरे
I'm
में
too
भाई.
blocked from every dating app.
'Cause-
People keep
Impersonation.
reporting me for impersonation.
Oh shit.
Why don't you
And-
just link your Instagram to it?
No, because then जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं कि मैं कौन हूँ नहीं पता चल जाएगा. And I don't want like if I'm gonna meet if I'm
Love
gonna
of
meet
your
my
life.
future husband on that app, I don't want him to already see my entire content and figure out कि ओ अच्छा मेरा उसके साथ पहले चक्कर चल रहा था और अब नहीं चल. Let
पर
me
वो तो
give
वैसे
a chance to explain.
Hmm.
So I would rather not link.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about what your profile looks like?
My profile? Oh yeah,
which
sure.
profile?
Why
I'm
not?
so excited.
Yeah, I think I did a decent job.
A decent job for a girl, like from my point of view on a dating app, is like give me something to bite
Sure.
on.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah,
you-
you can read it.
Oh, okay.
Which app is it?
The one with H.
Okay.
We won't take the name.
That's the
Two
best
truths.
one right now.
Okay, 2 truths and a lie. Dated a guy who faked having cancer, went to Bali with a stranger for a month, fell in love with a guy I met in Greece.
So the Greece one is the fake one.
Yeah. I dated a guy for a year who faked having cancer. Fucker was not dying, and I was like, "Listen, bro, you've gotten your last wish. What more can God give you? When will you die?" And
Why have you
then
What
put your
cancer was it?
height and all also, bro?
वो देना पड़ता
some
है
blood में some cancer.
blood cancer.
Yeah.
Did you go bald?
Leukemia.
Yeah.
Oh,
He was
shaved
fully
his head.
dedicated to it. He even faked his reports, Photoshop करके लाया और मैं बेचारी भाई मैं तो करवा चौथ का व्रत रख रही हूँ कि अगर कुछ हो रहा है चांद वांद को देखने से तो मेरा बंदा बच जाए. And then it was after 1 year that I realized कि मर जाता तो better होता कुत्ते.
That's crazy. though. Dedication is.
Dedicate, and like you gotta respect the hustle.
I won't shut up about everything. I never shut up. I know
That
the
one
best
is a
spot.
bit weak.
Yeah.
The first one was good. The second one was a bit.
I know
okay,
the best spot in town for momos and sunsets.
Which is a good selling point, okay?
नहीं
Like
यार,
momos in
it's
Bombay, come
generic हो
on.
गया ना अभी वो
कैसे?
बता भाई.
क्योंकि सबको मोमोज खाने हैं और सबको सनसेट
First of all, it's Momo. Okay,
So
I've been
I
to.
know the best. I know
not
the
momo.
best spot. अगर सबको मोमो खाने हैं, shouldn't you be swiping right on me because I know the best spot for momos?
But tell now, what is the best spot?
That's
I
just-
genuinely want to
It's
have good
Darjeeling
momos.
Lepcha momos. It's in front of
Yeah,
Suraj
this
Lama
even
momos.
You Amin told
In
me.
front of Suraj Lama. But
Yeah,
where
because
is this?
Suraj Lama is very popular, but it's not that great.
Hmm.
Darjeeling Lepcha is where it's at. It's in Versova. So you take those momos and you go to the Coffee by Dibella entry point in Versova and you sit there because there are not a lot of people. Patthar bhi hai and saaf bhi hai. So come on, it's a good date.
Now people don't need to swipe right on her.
Yeah, they can just
They
go
just
on their
need to
own.
They
watch
way.
were not swiping right on me anyway, so it's not like
Hey, don't say that. Yeah, that's
Bro,
so sad.
guys, to
swipe on everybody.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
guys
Yeah.
just go like this.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad to be a guy on a dating app.
Yeah.
You were there, no? Once.
Once.
Yeah.
लड़कियां
both
तो
were. It
बहुत
was damn
देखती
funny.
हैं. If the hot guy does not have nice prompts, then he's boring, so he's out. If the not so hot guy has really funny prompts, do you again want to risk telling your friends, but he's funny, yaar, he just doesn't look that great. Like, I think we've been over that
Fuck,
story.
bro, I've been playing it
a lot
all
of
wrong.
times.
When I was on it, I had nothing. Like, no bio, nothing. Just 2-3
Mystery.
pictures. Mysterious vibe.
Yeah, that doesn't
It
work.
doesn't work. No.
It doesn't work. You need to be funny and you need to be hot.
Hmm.
And if you're adding a voice prompt,
But this
जितनी
was when
भारी
we
आवाज
didn't have
निकल
this app,
सकती है
bro.
ना, हाय, I wanna come over. उतने chances बढ़ जाते हैं. Shirtless pictures, no.
Yeah.
No
bro.
girl
But
is
shirtless
swiping
at
on
the
shirtless
beach.
Yes.
See?
Shirtless at the gym, no.
Shirtless in a
somewhere
pool.
where you're meant to be
Yeah, where you're
shirtless.
meant to be
Yeah,
shirtless.
yeah.
Allowed.
Too many gym pictures, no.
Out.
Not working.
What about cooking pictures or pictures with your family?
I really like
You don't
cooking
put family, bro.
pictures.
Cooking pictures should work, no?
Guys put pictures with other women like hugging them.
Yeah,
That's
to
'cause
show
that's-
you
yeah,
ki, oh,
that's
see,
to
I'm
show
I'm
you.
safe. I'm safe.
But
This
I
is
hate
like,
that.
Yeah.
But isn't that like the common play?
मुझे आके
That
तेरी
if
गर्ल बेस्ट
women-
फ्रेंड से दोस्ती नहीं करनी भाई. I never want to see her. तुम तुम्हारा देखो. If you want to cheat on me with her, I would rather not know. So I don't want to see her face.
Okay.
And then what else is there?
I like cooking pictures. I like, an occasional dog picture. But
Dog
ये
picture.
छह की छह dog picture.
What if like handing food to the homeless?
No.
We should try that.
I want
Charity
to
work.
date an Instagram influencer.
I think we should make a profile just for the fuck of it.
Like a funny, where
Like a
you have
parody
the dog
profile.
picture, you have
Yeah.
the cooking picture,
No
like,
female pictures.
doing charity.
Doing
We'll do
charity.
the-
Like
we'll
make
do
the
the whole
perfect
thing.
guy and see if what happens.
100%.
6-pack beach picture.
Not beach. We'll
No
put
six
like
packs.
No dad bod.
Too intimidating.
Then what should he
If
have?
I don't have abs and if I don't have like a banger body,
He also shouldn't have.
और मेरा पेट ऐसे थुथुल रहा है इधर उधर, I don't want to see like your rock hard 6-pack abs, bro.
Do you
But
like
would-
dad bods?
No, not dad bods. Like, ठीक है, you're fit, but you also don't have abs. Like, you would have an occasional slice of pizza. I don't want to go out and be like, so do you have a Caesar salad?
Hmm.
I want to have a proper meal.
Do you not? Would you not? Would it not be nice to have a man who's got? ऐसा नहीं क्या? Jacked
No.
and he can protect me.
No.
No.
Muscle boy.
Other women want him.
No, I hate the other women want him thing. Like, I don't want to constantly feel like I'm in competition with other women. It's like, choose the guy who nobody wants. Like, I'll take you.
Since no one is taking you.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a sad thing.
He'll end up worshipping her.
Yeah, that's
Like,
kind
No,
of sad though.
He
you
will.
think that. But if you date like an ugly, zero personality guy who doesn't have a lot of friends, pathetic job, and you know, you're like,
Egos through the
oh,
roof.
I will
Yeah.
protect you, I will save you, I will listen to your trauma, he will fuck you up in ways
Yeah.
nobody else will.
His ego will go through the roof and
Yeah.
then he'll just be like,
Yeah.
if I can pull
लड़कों
this
को
one,
लगता
I
है
can
तुम
pull
मिल गए सब,
anyone.
अब तो कुछ भी
मैं तो
मिल
भगवान
सकता है
हूँ.
उन्हें, हाँ.
Correct.
But then who is the perfect guy? Like, is there a not a perfect guy, the perfect guy for you? Like, what are you looking for?
I want a guy in finance. 6'5", blue eyes.
6'5" is too tall bro, for you.
6'5" blue
6'5"
eyes is and
No,
finance
no,
is
no.
a stretch here.
I think somebody who's just normal, भाई मतलब normal लोग ही मिलने बंद हो गए हैं, मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है. Like somebody who has their own friend circle, will not be codependent with you.
You would think that this
Has a
will be
job
easy
that
to find, but
No.
like normal people are difficult to find. I've realized.
Yeah, and I really want to be with someone who at least is work. If they don't like their job, they're working towards something bigger. They have goals,
Ambitious.
ambitions. कुछ है ही नहीं.
Hmm.
9 to 5 करनी है, आके बॉस कार में रोना है अगले दिन, फिर नहीं भाई मैं तो नहीं सुन सकती. So
But would you date a creator?
She said no.
No creator.
I would not date somebody in comedy or travel.
बचा क्या है फिर? Makeup.
Finance.
Breakup.
Makeup.
Breakup.
Not makeup also.
Make up and break up.
Finance content.
Yeah, I would date somebody in finance or educational content. Basically, मेरे field से थोड़ा सा दूर, so that he
You can
doesn't
learn
feel like a constant competition. And that was a better answer.
I'll PR train you after this.
Do you have like a lot of ambition with what you do? Like, मेरे को I want to be the most known, or I want to be the most.
No, but I know that I don't want to do this forever. Like, I hate feeling comfortable and I hate being around people who are comfortable where they are. I think you need to have some drive. मतलब my drive is कि मुझे इंडिया नहीं रहना, मुझे बस बाहर जाना है. So I gave my GMAT and now I want to go out. I want to be college में for 2 years and chill बाहर. तो at
You
least
want to go
study?
study now?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
What? I don't want to be a
Let us
creator
study, man.
forever.
Who the fuck wants to study, bro, in this
No,
day
being a
and age?
Ambitious people.
creator forever, first of all, it's not feasible. It's not gonna
Yeah.
work. You're not gonna be relevant for.
Yeah.
If you have the best career as a creator, you've got like 7 to 8 years. Best
Yeah,
career, best
yeah.
case scenario.
Yeah.
So this idea of that I'm gonna do this my whole life is stupid.
Yeah.
Unless then you want to do the family channel. कौन करना है, bro? Once family is in, then I am a family man. Like
Yeah.
maybe a podcast I can still do with a family because it's like doesn't take that much time.
Yeah.
But like the kind of content that you make where you're just like switched on all the time कि
Yeah.
ये भी shoot करना है, ये भी करना है.
Yeah.
That is
You
going to be
can't.
difficult.
What do you want to go study?
Either MBA in fashion and luxury or MBA in digital marketing.
How can you do an MBA in digital marketing? Like you,
Yeah, people
you
they make jokes.
your
on people.
profile is an MBA of digital marketing.
Yeah, so I just want to go. I don't want to live in India. I feel like I'm living in the best city that this
Exactly.
country has to offer. मेरी पूरी जिंदगी अंधेरी से कोलाबा तक शिफ्ट होने में निकल जाएगी एंड आई डोंट वांट दैट. आई वांट टू गो आउट, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट फ्रेश, आई वांट टू मीट न्यू पीपल. एंड वो करने का सबसे आसान तरीका है कि तुम एक और डिग्री कर लो. एंड मेरे कॉलेज में कोविड हो गया था, तो आई मिस्ड आउट ऑन 2 years ऑफ कॉलेज.
Yeah.
एंड बाकी जो मुझे 2 साल मिले थे उसमें भी मैं रिलेशनशिप में थी, तो देयर वाज not much that I did. I was just with him, holding his hand in campus. So I really want to have college life फिर से.
Hmm.
And it'll be
That
fun.
makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, it will be.
Where are you
It'll be
thinking?
Anywhere is fine.
Luxury
outside
management
of
you can do in Milan.
Yeah.
I was actually going to apply.
How do
for
you
that.
know all these fucking weird things about? He's never been there.
No, but I also was thinking of doing an MBA once upon a time. So I know what all she's talking.
Yeah, even I was thinking.
I was
I
thinking of
was, like,
studying, but then
thinking of-
I can't. It's impossible for me now.
I mean, but see, it depends on what you're studying for. Her intention is something else. She
Yeah,
wants to
exactly.
put herself in a different environment and meet new people. I think that's the thing that college offers. The education and stuff you can
Is
get it.
secondary.
You can get it outside
Yeah.
college also. You can learn everything off YouTube except like surgery and like intense engineering. That also to some extent you can learn. But college and even school, what it offers is it teaches you how to be around people.
Yeah.
And also how to respect authority. क्योंकि
Yeah.
job में जाके वो करना है.
Forces you to respect authority.
That's what you're being trained for.
And also, I feel like you meet most of like your friends in either college or then your job. And college में मैं वो co-dependent relationship में थी, so I made no friends. All of my friends are like very recent friends, and they're all creators.
Yeah.
So my mindset has become very like इतनी दुनिया है, इतना ही करना है. So I really want to go out and meet people who are just struggling in life and see what's up.
Who don't have their shit
Ala
together.
Garib.
That's why she's here.
Well, that sounds like fun. I from like this conversation that we have, it just like feels like you always want to be challenged in some
Yeah.
sort of ways. Like you don't want to be in the same spot for too long. Even with the traveling, it's just like you don't want to be here. कि मैं क्या करूँ यहाँ पे? Like there's so many things in the world that I need to experience.
Yeah.
I think that's what works for you. Like that's
Yeah, I got chaos ka tattoo because I used to be so tired of all the chaos in my life, and then I एक दिन मतलब 2-3
Embraced
महीने
it.
के लिए life एकदम ऐसे हो गई smooth, and I was like मजा ही नहीं आ रहा यार.
Mm.
So I think I really like the chaos little bit.
yeah,
The name fits.
the rebel kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Like I'm glad we had this conversation because like
It's
it
another side of her.
yeah. I feel like it'll be good for people to see this.
New
Yes.
topics for them to hate on her.
कल slut shame हो रही होंगी मैं तुम्हारे comment section में. But
See the at the end of the day, those people, there's nothing you can do to win them over, and I don't think you should try to.
fully.
The people who love you and the people who have supported your content for all this while, and the new people keep getting added on. There is something about you that
Yeah.
gets them to you. So you just like appreciate
Thanks,
it.
wow,
Yeah.
too much validation today. We should do it more often.
Yeah, whenever you feel like, you can always.
I can be the next Sheena on your page.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
There's
Please
one
don't
more.
say that.
That's-
Chalo, we should end it.
Chalo, thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks
it was
for
a lot of
having
fun.
me, guys. It was very fun.
Chalo,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go.